Life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm an enslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, and you should too, because we all deserve to feel special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are felt through. My resolve is deeper than Gauns when Peter took kite from his arms. I'll travel at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pains me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second thought? A risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave.
I got a couple of devils around for a couple of niggas that think they could get with me. Pull up and empty the 50. Clean up your block and the lickety splickety. B.O.B. keeping them with me, filling them up, making this little nigga filthy. Who gon' pull up and come get me? I'm known from Boston to Compton. You know the bomb where you at. I'm loading up carbines and cop guns. You took a ball where you at.
Oh, what's the word, baby? What is the word? Let's go.
With jigging in back of the trap with packs and straps. Oh nigga, I got the juice, bitch. Best obey your thirst. While I'm riding on 23s, my enemies is in hearses. Yeah. And any weapon formed against me, better bust and hit me up first. These bullets is cursed, so I hope your mama knows.
A risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave.
They like Jay, you stuck in the clouds, get down to earth, pull your head out Uranus. Elevated mind state, got a mind rate, I only exist in greatness. Whew, I'm on a different plane shit, if we ain't seeing eye to eye, bitches do or die, yeah, and I plan to make it. Yeah, I'm too great to fake it, bigger bags that I'm chasing now. If the sky's the limit, then I'm aiming down. Money calling, I gotta take this now, yeah, your people running on my patience out. So close, I can taste it now, came a long way from that vacant house. They never thought that I'd make it out, now it's bigger checks, yeah, I make them out. Hop in the OG spaceship, flip my bit, get licked, then I take off. Keep a Kit Kat, get back, click clack, don't give me no reason to break off. Cause I'm on the grind, taking what's mine. Ain't no way you dummy stolen my shine, couldn't smoke on this pipe. Worried I'm not, if you know me, you know that I'm
been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth,
show y'all how to hit
trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave.
It's all good, man. I didn't buy that, man, because you know, like I said, I gave you the juice on that. I didn't buy that, baby. I didn't buy that. All right, cut the music, cut the music, cut the music. They like Millie, cut the music. I remember you used to detect it. Hold on, I'm coming. Sleep these tabs, Bitcoin drop, close these tabs. Nah, we ain't closing those tabs. We ain't closing them tabs.
Is my head really that shape?
Closing them tabs. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, close that tab for sure. What it do, chat? What's the word? I'm back, baby. What up? What y'all doing today? My name is Crypto Millie and I talk about crypto each and every day. Well, lately I've been trading a lot, so I haven't had an opportunity to talk about crypto. Hold on, guys. I got to turn my thing on. 1 second and I'll be right back. 1 second. All right, I'm back. All right, where were we? Okay, we were here. So the crypto bubbles is looking good. Today is Thirsty Thursday, the first day of the second half of the working week. And usually Thursday sets the tone for the rest of your week. So if you are in here, make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Guys, I know for the last 3 weeks I've been doing a lot of trading, so I haven't had time to really push out content, and frankly, it's really been nothing really to talk about. In fact, you know what I mean? It's been a kind of boring market, right? And we already knew this. And in fact, we designed a blueprint, right, where we said, hey, time capitulation from the Bitcoin halving until Q4 of the year, right? And it's coming to fruition. So with that being said, it's good to see some type of life finally, right, in some of our favorite altcoins, and buy into strength, right? I told you guys about that, right? If we just go to the month, it'll give you an idea of what some of the strongest altcoins are, specifically the top 100 when we talk about blue chips. And you can see Casper and Jasmine are clearly the top blue chips. And you already know, when you drop a Casper video, if you're an influencer, if you drop a Jasmine video, it's going to get tons of freaking views, right? So that goes hand in hand with the algorithm and the social engagement that we see. Not to add Brent, right? I've been doing a lot of trading on base change, right? I had a goated trade called Crash Token, right? 27K to north of 25 million, right? So I've been feeling really, really good about the cryptocurrency space, but the sentiment just hasn't been there. And then the reason that I'm saying that is because just when I'm hanging around the Discord and things of that sort, I see the sentiment. I feel the sentiment, right? And a lot of people still are tied to their blue chips, their altcoins, their low caps, and so am I, right? I've told you guys, I don't trade my utility bag. I use new capital or capital that I've earned over time, or maybe stable coins that I have on the sidelines to pretty much trade, right? And the reason that I was saying that in the Discord, because I was like, and join the Discord if you're new to the crypto. My name is Crypto Millie, but join the Discord. And I was saying that because I was like, look, guys, when the market gets boring, you gotta find something to do, because if you don't find something to do, you'll fall into the trap of time capitulation. And that's what we're seeing across the market. Good thing on the daily. Maybe we have a pretty good week headed into the weekend. I would love to see altcoins continue to go up into the weekend, but I'm not against a healthy correction, because I made a video yesterday. It didn't get a lot of views. I know it probably wasn't the most likable video, but I made a good point when I was talking about how meme coins, right? Meme coins could be ruining the market depending on how you look at it, right? There was a great article here by Coin Telegraph that was explaining about celebrity meme coins onboarding new users. So this is actually good, right? Experts have been talking about how celebrity meme coins have been onboarding new users. If you're part of the Patreon, I put out a time-sensitive post about the Gagan token, right? Because we killed the crash trade, right? Well, not me, because I didn't share it with anybody. And the only reason, I'm going to make that clear, the only reason I didn't share about it, because I wasn't confident in the trade, right? I was like, this thing is at 27K market cap. I don't know. I didn't expect that shit to explode to 27 million. In fact, I mitigated against a lot of my gains that I would have had because I took profits at 2 million, right? 27K to 2 million. Still good profits, right? Around 2.7 million, right? 100x. Then this shit rose all the way to like a 10,000x, and my moon bag grew over time, which is cool because, you know, the moon bag was fine, right? But I missed out on life-changing money, right? Taking profits on a 100x, right? That was a legit 100x, right? And it then ended up going to like a 10,000x, where I sit back and look like, wow, if I would have just held my bag, I would have made $200,000 fucking dollars. No kissy. It hurts me. It hurts me when I think about it, right? But this is me just being real and transparent with you guys, right? Fumbled that, right? But I still got a 100x, right? I still printed a 100x, but I could add a 10,000x. So this is why it's so important to have conviction in what you invest into. But it's really, really hard when you're trading meme coins. But it's, the gist of what I'm saying is, a lot of these celebrities are bringing new retail. When people say retail is not in crypto, I would argue that because I'm seeing a lot of retail in crypto. In fact, I was hanging around a Telegram chat, Discord, Telegram conversation yesterday, and a guy that was talking about how he already made like 30, 40, 50K in crypto, and he only been in crypto for 2 weeks, and he got introduced in crypto from a celebrity token, guys. A celebrity token. So, we can say what we want to say about these celebrity coins, but we can't deny that it is bringing retail. Oh, it just feels so good to be live right now and talking to you guys. It feels so good to be live right now and talking to you guys. Man, I missed you. Base Bird Dog, 27K to 2 mil you made. Yeah, 2.7 mil to be exact. I got 100x, yes. But it went to 30 mil, right? And my moon bag grew over time, which was cool. But I think about that like that was life-changing. Life-changing. You know what I mean? And it bothers me a little bit because I look back and I look at some of the top holders, because at one point I was a top holder, and I see, the top holders 270,000, 300,000. I'm like, that could have been me. That could have been me. 300K, 400K. So guys, I mean, you just never know when something like an opportunity like that is going to come across the board. Yeah, and the reason I've been not making videos, because I've been a little bit stressed about it, guys. I can't cap. I've been a little bit stressed about it, right? I got 100x, which was cool. 100x is cool. Cool, right? 200K, cool. But it ain't 200 or 300K. So yeah, that one hit home, guys. Make sure when you hop in here, you hit that like and subscribe. Morning Millie, we still here. Yes, man. Hop in, guys. Hop in, man. I need to share this. I know I haven't been on Twitter in a while, and it's because that has also depressed me a little bit, man. The fact that X took away my Twitter account, and they didn't even say why. No one responds when I put in my appeal. It really, really bothers me, right? And I got to build up my other Twitter account. So we'll get on that. Let's get into some of the comments here. Jasmine making moves. Yes, thoughts on Kendu. You knew how many market cap can he do in a bull run? Payday can't come soon enough, right? Hey, Julia, talk to her, baby. I know that Maganomics bullshit went to 35K and couldn't even swap. Hey, man, I did a video in the Patreon, Garcia. I don't know if you're part of the Patreon, but I did a video in the Patreon talking about how it's important to understand how they do these delayed, they're called delayed honeypots, right? Where you think everything is good, like, oh, the audit checks out, but the contract is not renounced. And if the contract is not renounced, then it means they can switch things on the contract, which means they can blacklist wallets. And if they blacklist wallets, it's very, very simple. It doesn't start as a honeypot. It starts as a project that you can actually buy and swap and sell. But over time, they blacklist every wallet, and then you cannot sell. So you got to be very, very, very cautious when you get into those cryptos immediately. I think what I like to do is I like to wait for the Ape Store dump. I like to wait for the base jump dumps when I'm trading meme coins. And then depending or depicted upon how well the developer executes and the community continues to raise up the project, will determine if I'm willing to make a substantial investment into that project. Okay, so I like to give you guys, just what I'm seeing across the market. All right, so let's get in some more of these comments, right? I did a vote yesterday, guys. Go vote. I said, are meme coins ruining crypto? 47% of people said yes. 53% of people said no. So people are not mad at meme coins and what's been happening with meme coins. That's a good thing. You would think that there'd be more people saying yes, because their utility tokens are getting absolutely shit on. But at the end of the day, it is good to see that people are warming up to the idea of meme coins, because there are pros to meme coins, right? No VCs, right? Giving you a fair chance. Truly decentralized if the dev doesn't have 10,000 fucking wallets tied to the project. So you have to be very, very cautious, guys. as far as the community project, I want to actually put this out there for you guys. If you are looking or interested into what we're building in the community, at some point we will be dropping our base pair. So we will be adding another pair to our multi-chain community project, right? Of course, we letting the Jeets go out. I told the Elite Council yesterday, I said, hey, man, we letting the Jeets sell off. Jeets, go ahead about y'all business because you gonna cry later. We'll be adding our base pair. I'm not gonna give you a time frame, but it will be coming. It's ready and prepared. We just have to add the additional pool, and we will be adding base. So right now we're on Binance, we're on Polygon, and we will be on base chain. So like and subscribe, share that, guys. And if you want to be part of what we're doing in our community project is J5, right? Sitting at about a $76,000 market cap. Beautiful entry point, and most of the people are holding the floor, including myself. All right, so another thing to point out though is we're still in Bitcoin season, right? Bitcoin season, we know, has allowed a lot of gains here for altcoins, but guys, at the end of the day, just TNA, right? We're still putting in lower highs on the altcoin chart, which tells us this could go lower. This could go lower, but we do have support here at around 13. Excuse me. My apologies. We do have support here at around 16. So I think if we put in this lower high here and we drop down to about 16 and we hit that support, I'll probably be looking to add to my altcoin bag. And don't be shy. If you have some altcoins that you would like to share, please share. Please share the altcoins that you would like to share, guys. Please share. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm looking for some new altcoins. I've been doing research, and you know, my research goes back to some of the OG altcoins that came out maybe 6 months ago. But it's still new altcoins coming out. I was looking at some new a new fucking chain, and then I was like, wow. But I've been so embedded into meme coins and meme coin trading that I haven't been able to really get into that in-depth research of some of the new AI coins, the new gaming coins. So anything you've seen, don't be afraid to share it in the chat, and we'll check it out. I think I can hang with you guys for a little minute, right? It's 2.4 million cryptos now, right? Remember when this thing was like 7,000, 8,000, 10,000? It's amazing that it's 2.4 million plus cryptos now in the space, and the fear and greed index is a lot more lower than we thought, right? 2 days ago it was at 30, so that's a nice little drop on the fear and greed index, and it all came upon the news here that where we have it here, that what am I looking for? My apologies, guys. I thought I had this pulled up, but I guess not. Well, anyways, the government sent which is that, like 4,000 or something crazy? Oh, here we go. The government sent $240 million worth of Bitcoin to Coinbase, right? Which they've openly tried to charge, right? Coinbase, but they use Coinbase. Blew my mind, right? So they this Bitcoin was originally seized from narcotics trafficker behind meme scene and forfeited in trial at January 2024. So this is the idea where they get, well, oh, Bitcoin is used for this and that, the same shit that cash is used for, but they say Bitcoin and crypto is used for it, which is cool. But again, everything, as you can see from Arkham here, is transparent on the blockchain, right? So you can't hide anything on the blockchain. So this right here sent ripples of fear throughout the market because a lot of people feel like the government is selling off Bitcoin, which they have been. And not to add, you got the Mt. Gox situation here, which is also putting a lot of selling pressure on BTC, because most of the Gox people that would be credited are up about 50x, which is about $9 billion in selling pressure, which we are seeing BTC itself being suppressed. Even though institutions have the ETF, retail starting to kind of creep back into crypto. Ethereum has dipped a little bit, almost to the pre-prices before the Ethereum ETF, but it's a lot to look forward to because a lot of people feel like the ETH ETFs here will go live very, very soon. So the SEC could approve Ethereum ETFs as soon as July 4th. So I've built a pretty much a good amount of ETH, right? I haven't been using my ETH to pour into altcoins just yet because I feel like there's money to be made with Ethereum once these ETFs get approved. I don't know if it's going to be a buy the rumor sell the news event where, you know, Ether runs up before July 4th and then we see a huge sell-off, or maybe people just weren't prepared for the ETH ETF and then they start pouring money in because it gets approved, because we didn't know it was coming, right? Most people thought it was going to get denied. On the flip side of this, we do have 34 days into the next FOMC meeting, which is a positive, right? No August meeting, but we may get the Jackson 5, which we call the Jackson Hole, right? The Jackson Hot 5. And then in September, creeping on up, guys, creeping on up, we do have now a 57% chance of our first Fed cut of the year. So even in the midst of the negativity and the dips that we have seen in the crypto space here, it's still a lot to be to look forward to. In fact, I've talked about how crypto adoption has been growing over time, very similar to the internet adoption. So for new people that's getting into crypto, I mean, you know, it's a good thing that you know, in a month you're getting able to get in these prices opposed to buying into green candles. It is amazing that Brett, man, it's still 129% on the month, right? Amazing, right? Amazing. So that's pretty much the news. We don't really got anything really to talk about, right? A lot of people are predicting altcoin season to be parabolic. We can see something like $3 trillion, right? $3 trillion on the crypto total market cap. But what about the total 3, right? How high do we believe the total 3 will go up here? Taking a look at the ETH BTC pair, there was a lot of positivity that we finally broke out the trend and was able to confirm a breakout here on the ETH BTC pair, which coincides with what we're seeing with the ETH ETFs on the way. So ETH could start off a altcoin season, because when ETH hits all-time highs, normally you'll see the altcoins follow. So now is the time to ramp up that research on your favorite altcoins, the ones that you think that will bless you with the most gains, but also allow the most utility, meaning these tokens are something that will be used on a day-to-day basis. You want to buy things that generate revenue, but also have a use case on a day-to-day basis. If you're new to crypto, my name is Crypto Millie. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and daughter entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Make sure I'm still live here. All right, so let's get into some of the comments. We got 28 people in here. Good to see you. Matt Furry on ETH project always goes more up. Bird Dog on ETH. Yeah, Matt Furry projects do well. When I'm trading meme coins, I tend to trade a lot of Matt Furry projects. I will not lie to you guys. They have printed a lot of gains in the last 3 months. How to join your Patreon group using crypto? I don't know, man. I haven't figured it out. I don't know how people accept crypto and on Patreon. I've been trying to figure that out for like 6 months now, and I think my boy Crypto Archie have done that before, but I gotta ask him because I don't know how to do it, unfortunately. When y'all launch it on base, I can't give you a time frame, guys, because we have to get the liquidity pool together, the LP together. And right now, when I'm talking to the Elite Council, and again, I plan on opening the doors to the Elite Council to anybody that's holding 1 million J5 tokens. So if you're holding 1 million J5 tokens, please get in touch with me. Please contact me, and we'll add you to the Elite Council. No more will it be a price to hop in. I think I want the whales to be able to be involved in what we're doing. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff that I haven't even shared with the Elite Council that I play. So the dev is still here, baby. We working, but yeah, I'll talk to those guys today, at some point today, and I've already told them that, you know, we plan on opening the doors to anybody that's holding 1 million J5 tokens. So I don't want to sit here and give you a time frame. You know, if you rock with us, rock with us. If you don't, you don't. Jeets, leave, right? Because how I look at it, and I explained this to the Elite Council, you know, I'm not going to bless the Jeets if they just plan on leaving, right? Jeets, we'll shake them out, which, as you see, been really, really quiet on the front, shaking the Jeets out. And once the Jeets are gone, you know, we got a plan that we plan on rolling out, guys. So if you're rocking with the community, rock with the community. If you're not, you can still be a part of the community. It's no pressure to join the community project at all. We've been here for about 6 months. We're not going anywhere. We're here. We're here to stay. And eventually the AI narrative will come back. I'm confident in that, and I'm not tripping on market cap or price action at this point. Like, I've completely deleted that out my head because I know that you know, a lot of meme coins, you know, in the fact of trading meme coins, don't even last 6 months, and we've been here 6 months. So, you know, hold your head high, give yourself a pat on the shoulder for anybody that's still holding the bag. I've round tripped right with you, and I'm not going anywhere. Bro, have you checked Bird Dog on Sol? I don't trade meme coins on Sol. Believe in something, believe in Bird Dog, man. Bird Dog, I have to check it out. Rock with us. Crypto Playground, my guy. One of the guys in the elite. Where you been, champ? You are not on X anymore? Yes, I'm on X. I actually am on X, guys. If you swing over here, and you know, Crash did post the Crash tokens, and that's why I did so well. Guys, I'm on X. So if you swing over to X, you can catch me on Blockchain Millie here. I'm on X. I just don't post on X because I've been really depressed about the fact that my channel, my X account got taken away for no reason. But here I am on X. I'm now known as Blockchain Millie, and I really don't post on this thing because, again, like I said, guys, yeah, go follow me on X. I actually take and put the I'll put it in here for you guys to follow me on X. So this is my new X account. So I'm still on X. Crow with a Knife is getting listed on Gate listing and airdrop promotion by Gate. Check out the charts. Easy money, everyone. Okay, I'll check out Crow with a Knife. We stay fly, no lie, because you know it. Bird Dog. Hey, Bird Dog community is in here today. Hey, salute to Bird Dog. I'll have to check out the Bird. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and check out Bird Dog on Soul because you guys are in here. Jesus Coin has done well as well. I was reached out by some of the OGs in Jesus Coin for me to check out Jesus Coin. Salute to them. So I'll show some love to Jesus Coin. I think it went up like 100% within the last 6 days. And again, I'm very high on the bringing tithing and church activity to the blockchain. I think that transparency is needed. All right, let's check out Bird Dog here on Soul. Oh man, it's so many ones, guys. Which ones is it? Is it this one? I love the Matt Furry art. I've been making a little on the side. I've been making some Johnny 5 Matt Furry art style. So we got some things that I'm working on. Is this the one right here? $8 million market cap. Nice correction. It is above the VWAP, so technically it is bullish. I am liking that the RSI and the stock RSI looks like it wants to trend to the upside, and this is putting in a higher low. So it looks like the trend to the upside will continue here. Right? Not bad for Bird Dog here, sitting at an $8 million market cap, about 8,000 holders, almost $1 million in the volume. So a lot of volume and little volatility, which means you can sleep at night with your bags, right? I really like to pay attention to the volatility score because I like when a project is bringing in $1 to $2 million worth of volume, but the volatility is around 1 to 2, right? I don't like 9, 8 because I know that means a lot of price action to the upside and downside. And if you're trading, you don't want to go to sleep with that type of trade because there's a good chance that it could dump off. So salute to the Bird Dog community. Hopefully, guys, I am looking at the night one, the right one, and I'm a big fan of Matt Furry's art. I'm not a meme coin trader on Solana. Not a big fan of the Solana chain, but any of the OG tokens that have made it out the mud, right, I think could do well. So salute to the Bird Dog community for showing up. I really do appreciate on the live stream for you guys showing up and showing out. I will follow you, bro, with all the Bird Dog house. Yeah, follow me, man. And if you want a video, hey, shoot me some of that Bird Dog. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Hey, I keep it real. Look, hey, partnerships, sponsorships, we do it on this channel as long as it's legit and not a scam, right? So y'all guys, y'all been around for a while. If you want a video, don't be shy. Shoot me some of that Bird Dog. Let's make it happen. Yes, it's the one, bro. Check the narrative. 3CX coming soon on Bird Dog, as well as one of them being Bitmart. All right, I'll give you guys some Twitter love right here. So let's see if I can actually find the Twitter and see what they got going on, man. Love it when communities show up. J5 community, take note. This is how you go raid a crypto influencer's YouTube, right? This is what gets people involved in your community, right? It's not the dev. The dev is not going on a fucking press run talking about his crypto, right? It's the community that's willing to stand the fuck up and stand out. So salute to the Bird Dog community for that. I'll follow you guys as well and keep an eye on what you guys got going on, right? Coin liquidity, is this GLS? Okay, once again, something happened to my account. Hopefully it didn't get restricted here for no reason. Like, they was like, oh, you got a new account, we gonna restrict you. Hold on, guys. Let me make sure my I ain't even gonna do it on stream, right? Yeah, I'm very familiar with CLS Global. In fact, we had a partnership, our community to partner with CLS Global in the past, and they were our market makers. They are very, very good market makers. Unfortunately, our community's token couldn't continue to dish out the liquidity that it was needed to continue that partnership, because market making companies can be expensive over time if you don't have the demand. I don't think that's the issue here with Bird Dog sitting at an $8 million market cap, so they're able to harness that demand there. But I am a big fan of CLS Global. We've worked with them in the past. They are beautiful market makers. They do things all the way right across the board. Salute to CLS Global. We do plan on working with them in the future, but we want to make sure we get our demand up as well, right? Because Binance has been a little bit slow, and it's the reason we're looking at other opportunities. We are listed on Polygon Matic. We're also looking at Base Chain right now. Our Base Chain actually is ready. We just had to add the liquidity pool here. So salute to CLS Global, because they'll attract more traders. They're very, very good with market making. I'm a big fan, so not against that. I'm loving the artwork here from Bird Dog. Salute to the Bird Dog. Loving the artwork. Don't want to get flagged there. So let's get into some more of these comments. We covered all the news here. Sol ETF. Just by Bird Dog, and I promise you I will follow you. 100K marketing found ready, bro. Hey, shoot me some tokens, man. No, Jace Garcia. This is the one on Solana. Yeah, Bird Dog on Sol. We are 3 months old. CTO, y'all CTO? That's what's up. I love CTOs. I'll check it out. But I'm loving what I'm seeing from the community. Cody, what's up? Crow with a knife is getting a okay, so let's check out Crow with a knife. And guys, don't be shy, man. Give me some utility tokens. Right now, I'm in the business with buying some utility tokens, right? Because we've been getting wrecked, right? The altcoin reckoning for the last 2 months, and I think that this is a great opportunity to start finding some of those utility tokens here. All right, so Crow with a knife looks good. Looks like it's ready to put in its cup here. Do we have enough information to see what's going on from the 3-day here? So let's check out the 3-day. Yeah, we got enough information. Stock RSI, and RSI is on the up and up. They have just broke the VWAP, so very, very bullish pattern here from Crow with a knife. Crow with a knife looks like it's ready to put in its next move. You do have a resistance here at this neckline, and then you have the resistance at its all-time high, as well as a couple wick candles there. So I would look for Crow to bounce up into this zone here, and put in its cup and handle move. It looks like the cup and handle move could happen. Could happen here. Go for the retest of the all-time high. Maybe get rejected and set a new support here at this neckline. So what I'm kind of seeing here with the Crow with a knife on the 3-day. Understand the 3-day charts do take 1 to 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks to actually play out. I am looking at a longer time frame, but you do have some bullish indicators here, right? You're above the VWAP, the RSI is trending to the upside, and above the smooth line, and you also have confirmation of bullish momentum here with the stock RSI. So Crawl is actually looking very, very good. A very, very good trade here. But you want to see it break above our neckline here, and print the 3-day candle above it, retest it, and hopefully break above the all-time high and go for all-time high. So Call is actually looking good. It's in a great space. Salute to the person that actually shared that. $65 million market cap, listed on multiple exchanges. Looks like they will be listed on multiple exchanges outside of crypto.com. And when you look at if you're just buying crypto on crypto.com and you look at all the meme coins, I would look at something like this that's under $100 million market cap, opposed to buying things that's $300 million and $500 million market cap, because you really limit your potential unless you're putting 5K, 10K, 15K. So understand understand where you're at as an investor. So many people don't understand that. I've seen people talking about, oh man, put $100 into Elon right now and just hold. Like, no, you're not going to become a crypto millionaire doing that, right? If you put 5K into Elon, maybe 10K into Elon, then yeah, you have a better chance. But putting $100 into a project that's crossing $100 million market cap and hoping that you're going to make these substantial gains is really a mind fuck. Okay, so just do this shit the right way. If you only got $100, you got to go and be a little bit more degen. You got to take on a little bit more risk. A lot of YouTubers won't tell you this because they want you to pump their bags, but over here we just keep it real, right? Regardless of the price action of the chart, we work to keep it a buck over here. And I think that's why a lot of people navigate and are drawn to our Discord, Patreon, and things of that sort. Let's get into some of the comments here. Make sure I didn't skip anything. About 18 million Pepe last million sold really early on. Will never get over it. Yeah, man, I made the same mistake just recently with Crash. I mean, we do it, but 100x is 100x, right? And you look up and it's like a 10,000x, and it's like, what the fuck, right? It's crazy. Jasmine making moves. Thoughts on Kenny Inu? How many market cap can he do? I got to do more research on Kenny Inu. I know a lot of people have been telling me about that. All right, let's see what we got here. Get into some of the Elon will be on top. Love to see that update on Baby Pepe. I looked at Baby Pepe a little bit early. I don't know if it's still on my screen, but I did look at Baby Pepe a little bit early. I think it did retrace to about a $3 million market cap. I think this is the one. Man, so many of the same tokens. Yeah, it retraced here to a $3 million market cap. Still holding strong here at a $3 million market cap. Currently below the VWAP. So loss of momentum, and the RSI is trending to the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised if this goes a little bit lower, right? Nothing wrong with that. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's a new token, so we gotta kind of like draw some information here from the 4 hour. 4 hours a little bit more bullish, right? Still above the VWAP on, excuse me, still below the VWAP on the 4 hours. I would say technically still bearish. Momentum still bearish, and RSI trending to the downside. So I would expect Baby Pepe to go down a little bit more and maybe come back down and retest the support that we have at 0.5. You got support here at 0.5, right? It wouldn't be criminal here to come back and retest some of this support that we have here at 0.5. So if you're on the sideline and you were looking to enter Baby Pepe, I would look for it to come back and retest some of the support that I'm seeing here on the 4 hour, which is around 0.5, right? It's been a nice little floor that they're building out there. Wouldn't be surprised if it came down and bounced back off it. 40 people in here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Cool game on the website. You guys seen the Boss the Golf or anything? Looks like it could be the new Boys Club. I'll have to check that out. Millie, thanks for the Boys Club base club call a few weeks back. Took some profits and still holding some. Yeah, man. We caught that at like $400,000 market cap. That thing ran to almost $15 million market cap. Salute to the Boys Club. They've been nothing but wonders to the channel. Very, very, very giving, right? Even after I called them before and buying my own tokens, they decided to gift me some tokens as well. So I do appreciate them. Followed, bros. Appreciate that, Franco. Vote Inu has major utilities. I haven't checked Vote in a while. Let's check it out, man. The thing about Vote utilities and meme coins is like people just don't care about it no more, man. People then got so infected with the gamble mentality that people just do not care about utility on meme coins, right? And then you gotta understand what the meme coin, when you're building out a utility or a platform, kind of takes away from the project because it's expensive. So if you have a meme coin that's simply based off the community, you can save a lot of money and a lot of selling pressure from your meme coin by just simply keeping it simple and being a meme coin. Because utility, at the end of the day, has overhead. And if it doesn't attract demand, that overhead stays, right? And it is just going to continue to create selling pressure. Same thing with being listed on a centralized exchange. If there's no demand, the overhead from being listed on the exchange causes selling pressure. So, guys, understand whenever you see a meme coin or any type of token that was a community token saying, hey, we're building out a utility, ask yourself, well, will the demand outweigh the utility? Meaning, will people actually use the shit? Right? Good to see Vote Eno here holding strong, right? Technically the trend is your friend to the end. And they just broke the trend here with a lower low. So, very, very bearish on the 3-day here from Vote Eno. You are seeing a downtrend also on the RSI, which is just not good. Stock RSI embedded in hell right now. Hopefully it can get the stock RSI cross here. But right now, Vote Eno is a bit bearish from a TNA analysis, right? If they can, swoop this around and get some type of support here on the 3-day, that would be a good turnaround, right? You got some support here. They need to kind of like get that support going here, but hopefully it doesn't continue to fall. As you can see, the RSI on the 3-day is a bit bearish, and you have the stock RSI also bearish. It's below the VWAP as well. So I'm pretty sure if I check the baseline is also bearish. Anything right now under, which is what, about 6 cents. 6 cents is bearish. So yeah, a little bit bearish here from Vote Eno, right? Hopefully they can rebound, right? This was one of the 2021 tokens that were, was looked at as one of those tokens that could be $8 billion token in the future, right? And they have built out utility. They have a game, they have a swap, they have some things that they're working on with AI. But I think they went through some fun when they lost Pablo Crow. He was like one of the guys, the biggest shillers for that project. And it just hasn't been the same since Pablo stopped talking about Vote. Now, I don't know if he's back with Vote. I haven't been keeping up with it, to be fair. But just based on TNA here, the momentum on the 3-day. And this is a lot of information, guys. This is the 3-day is bearish here on Vote Eno. Jumper DCS, yes, man. What's up, man? What's up? I seen Jesus Coin up 100%. Where does Boys Club on Base go from here? Y'all on me. This is what I'm saying. Like, it's just meme coin season, guys. Guys are like, back in the day, people would just come up and be like, I got this utility token for you, Millie. What is up with this AI token, guys? Right now, meme coins have taken over the market, and it's because people want to make money, man. People want to make money. Oh, it's down to a $1 million market cap. I did not notice that. All right, so let's go here to the daily. Yeah, this thing went to almost 15 million, has come retraced. And I think part of the retracement here is because, and they broke the uptrend here. Part of the retracement was because so many tokens started dropping like copies of the Boys Club. We seen it on ETH. We seen it on Base again. We seen it on Solana again. So many people, were just dropping copies of the project. And, yeah, I think one thing they that should have happened with the Boys Club is when they dropped the news of the Solana pair, right? I don't think they should have like made that as a buy the rumor, sell the news event, because there was a lot of hype built up to this announcement, right? And a lot of people just weren't big on the announcement, right? I looked at the sentiment across the space. A lot of the community weren't big on that announcement, though it's a good thing, right? And then they have the wallet that they're building out on their own personal wallet to and it goes hand in hand with their theme, which is making crypto safe. So it's just on a quiet front. The volume has went down tremendously. It's just quiet right now. It had its hype moment, right? That's what happens with tokens. They have their hype moment, right? And eventually, if the foundation is good, eventually it'll come back around. Right now, it's just going to build a floor. Let it build out its floor. Most likely, it builds out a floor at about 1 million, and then at some point, it's going to put in the cup, right? And head back up to the resistance, which was one support that we see right here. So it may just be time for it to build out this floor, cool off a little bit. It was hyped up a lot. It had a lot of hype, guys. It went from a $400,000 market cap to a $15 million market cap. And in no way can you expect people to just hold their tokens when the market started to get frothy like this on the month. It was just not realistic. A pullback was in cards, like everybody knew it, and that's what happened, right? So let it build out its floor. I know the developer, he's in the Patreon, Wales. He's very, very big on just building out the project, but and he delivers. So I just think it's at a point where it's just building out its floor. I'm not going to say it's just going to rise straight up. You can see here, this is the daily. I think that it builds out a floor for a while, shake out the Jeets, shake out the baby hands, and then it blesses the people that were able to stay along. For the people that bought up here, down here. Hopefully you took profits or took your initial investment, however you look at it. But if you bought the top, it is what it is. It happens sometimes in crypto. And you got to understand, like, when you going into a project and you seeing it, I never buy projects up here, right? Every time I see a, and you can see, like, I'm openly trading meme coins here now, right? I'm like openly, I have open trades on meme coins right here. I was looking at this one. This was terrible, right? I'm happy I didn't get into this, but this is a perfect example. When I was looking into Tardio, I knew it had just got off base jump, and I seen it rise up, and I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna buy this because it's already on a rise. I want to see how it reacts to a dump, and just like I predicted, it dumped, and it hasn't returned. So sometimes you got to understand that you don't want to buy projects. This was another one, Maga Pepe. I missed the initial launch. I seen it up here. I could have FOMO'd in at like 70K, but I already knew it was going to come down because they always come down, right? It's just how crypto works, right? But me, I prefer to buy a project that's like this, right? That's already had its hype stage and it's building a floor and looking to have an explosive move. In fact, I did put a post in my Patreon about the Gagan token here. So, Chinese crash. Don't go buy these guys. This is just an example of charts that I buy, right? I buy charts like this, right? Floor being built. I don't buy charts up here. I buy them at the bottoms. I want to see how they react to sell-offs, right? How the dev reacts, how the community reacts. These are meme coins, right? So they're highly volatile, guys. But all this is on base. I trade base meme coins, right? Trading base meme coins lies. French on base just exploded. Yeah, French on base is good. I know they had baby French. That shit went down. I got on Boys Club on base, but I don't mean if it's the real one. Yeah, this is another Boys Club on base. Pepe, my biggest investment from the Boys Club, got in first week. Pepe launched and hold it until I made the parabolic move a few months ago, and then it took profits. Yeah, French is doing well. Buy when people scared every time. That's true, man. I was telling you guys, like we're here. Even with our community token, I don't shy away from it. I mean, you can see here with our community token, we've built one hell of a floor. Look at this floor. Like this is a one hell of a floor, guys. We had our hype zone. All these charts look the same. We had our hype zone, right? We got listed and things of that sort, and we just have built out a amazing floor, right? And now we're looking for our next move. In fact, the daily is looking a bit bullish, right? We're above the VWAP, which is 12. We're actually right at the VWAP, which is 1266. The RSI is trending to the upside. The Stark RSI is looking to confirm a bullish daily. So I can see that in the next few days or so, I can see our token probably going back to 100K market cap. But you can see the floor is built out here. So hey, when AI comes back around, we got 1,000 holders. We'll see some of that liquidity roll into our AI community project, and then we'll get back into partnership with our market makers, which is CLS, Global Liquidity, and maybe look at other options. But it is what it is. I've understand to accept crypto and accept meme coins for what they are. Yes, Jumper. I'm pretty sure you bought when everybody was fudding Jesus coin, right? And then it popped up. Guys, I think that we could have a bullish August. Maybe if so, this is the thing. So we're heading into July, right? I don't think there's what's this? We got a meeting in July, right? There's an 89% of a pause, right? So we got to get out July. If we get out July, right, in this little sideways action, we don't have a meeting in August. They might do the Jackson Hole shit, right? Cool. We don't have a meeting in August. We could see some people starting to load the bag, anticipating this Fed cut here in September. I don't know why it's not pulling up. Come on, man. All right, it's doing that again. All right, so let's refresh this page. Well, we can see people look at the front run the narrative. Oh, excuse me. For the Fed cut here, that's apparently a lot of people are betting on 58% chance that it may happen in September. So a lot to look forward to. Feels good to be live again, guys. Definitely Mega J. Mega J, definitely. I'm happy. Thank you for relaying that information to me, sir. I do appreciate that, guys. In fact, I do. I have my J5 shirt on if you don't see it. Right. I'm rocking the apparel, so Nothing has changed, guys. You can go buy J5 merch. Like, this was our anime drop. We probably will update some more merch, but I'm actually rocking the apparel, man. Salute to the community. Thoughts on Crash Coin? Well, I don't have any thoughts on Crash Coin. I've made I don't like to talk about it, but yeah, Crash Coin was my greatest trade to this date. Crash Coin was my greatest trade to this date. I bought Crash Coin at a $27,000 market cap, guys. So I'm on to the next trade. You can see I have Baby Crash and Chinese Crash here. Just simple trading, but I'll get into the Crash trade here for you guys to explain you guys what happened with the Crash trade. So when the reason I didn't call it a Crash trade is because what happened was it did this, right? You can see it just went dead at like 27K, and in my head I was like, man, if Crash noticed this token, which he eventually did, this thing is going to go absolutely fucking parabolic. So I bought I didn't buy a lot. I should have bought more, right? But I bought a good amount of Crash token at a $27,000 market cap. I woke up the next morning and it was at almost $3 million market cap, which was like 100x. It did 100x overnight. Yes, 100x overnight, right? So, fucked my head up. I took profits at a 100x and left a moon bag, and it kept rising. It kept rising to 30 million, right? To where every day I got to go and see, motherfuckers right here with like 800,000, 500,000, a million. Like, that could have been me, right? I could have made $1 million off of Crash, right? But I took profits at a 100x. And it mitigated against me having a 10,000x, right? I could have turned $200 to $300 into $2 to $3 million with this trade. So you see where I'm going at with it. It's most likely going to go to 100 million and more because Crash has stamped it, and it might look to flip Brett because Crash is out to prove himself. He's out to prove everybody wrong that he's not this bad guy. And he's going to most likely pump this to anywhere between a 100 million to $1 billion market cap. So I'll have tears of Jeet tears, cries of the night. Yes, I will. But no regrets. I move on. I made 100x. And I have a moon bag still in this project that's pretty nice moon bag. I'm not mad at all. But a 10,000x is always better than 100x. I honestly didn't expect this thing to explode like it did. I did not. And this is why you never know. So H&H, thank you for bringing up the Crash trade for me. What is my greatest trade of this day? And my moon bag continues to go higher because it's now knocking on a $40 million door. So I still have a moon bag in this token, but it would have been worth a lot more if I wouldn't have took profits at a 100x. Full transparency. Yeah, Chinese Crash, right? My pleasure, good brother. Yeah, we could do a merch update, Mega. If you got some ideas and you got some artwork you want to send, just send it over. We'll do a merch update. Millie, you want to hear a Bitcoin song I wrote in the last bull run? It's called I Am Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah, speaking of Satoshi Nakamoto, his wallet just went undormant, right? Satoshi era Bitcoin wallet wakes up after 14 years, sends 50 Bitcoin to Binance. So is this guy actually alive, or did he just, before he died, transfer the keys to his wallet? If he, I don't know if that was the guy that actually died. We don't know who Satoshi is, but his wallet is still active. After 14 years, this man decided to send 50 BTC to Binance. So he might be looking to take profits here, right? But again, he was one of those guys that got into Bitcoin at 5 cents. Kind of similar to how I got into Crash at 27,000. And now it's sitting at 40 million. Yeah, best believe it's tears behind this smile, guys. Then they start dudes, G. I started DCA. Heavy thanks for Millie Hog. Millie, you've made me a lot of money. Much love. I appreciate that. A lot of people say that. What's up, bro? What you think about Catcoin? I haven't looked at that in a while. Yeah, sick, bro. Crash. Yeah, it's going to run hard. 100x and 100x. Yeah, HH. Oh, yeah, it's sick, bro, right? 150K and I'm out. Right, man, yeah. Million. Yeah, Chinese Crash and Baby Crash, right? Nah, but I think the one that has a good chance of duplicating it is the Jake Gagan token. I put the call out in the Patreon yesterday, so I'll share it with the stream, guys. I loaded up my bag at a 30K market cap. Jake Gagan knows about this project. He has liked a couple of tweets of this project, and he actually holds which he holds about, this is his wallet, he holds 7K, so 7K was gifted, well, it was lesser than this, but the price went up, was gifted to Jake Gagan. So think about it, if this continues to go up, because Jake, he's paid, bro, he doesn't care about money, right? But if this continues to go up, eventually he's gonna stamp it, because the thing, what happened with Crash is Crash was like, you know what, I'm already a millionaire, how about I make millionaires? And that's what Crash did. He stamped that project. He didn't release it, but he stamped that project, and he made millionaires once he stamped that. So I don't know if Jake is going to stamp this, but I bought a fuckload of this at a 30K market cap. And if Jake sniffs at this project, because he's bigger than Crash, if Jake sniffs at this project, if he just gives a little tweet, an acknowledgement of this project, I won't make the same mistake that I made with Crash. That's how I look at it. And it's up like 100% since we loaded the bag here. In fact, I made a 3x when it first dropped. I put it in the higher tiers in the Patreon, and people made a 3x and then took profits. Like, we made a 3x, took profits, and then it just dumped because apparently the developer was a noob and he didn't know what the hell he was doing. But then a CTO took over this of people that I've seen that worked with some of the groups that I've seen, their chads, they've took over this project, and they are working to get this in the eyesight of Jake Gagan. So guys, right now this thing is under 100K market cap. I believe this could be the one to do something crazy. Jake likes bass. All he got to do is just give a side eye and look at this token, and it's gonna fly. So let the word to the wise be efficient. I bought Crash token at a 27K market cap. I'm going to just leave it at that. My greatest trade to this date. And I didn't even get the bulk of it. It was just, I keep it trill over here, man. Can you check out Maze for me? Yeah, I have a Maze bag. I've bought more Maze in the dip. I've bought more Maze. So 3 days ago, I bought more Maze. And Mega J, I am happy that you're here, man. Thank you, bro. Man, if you guys can just get that Telegram, it's like popping, and then hold that down, we'll look good. We'll get that base chain taken care of, guys. We do have a marketing wallet, right? I put a lot of money in the project, guys. I can't keep putting money into J5. I'm not uber rich, right? Like that. I'm not. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to contribute to the market the marketing wallet and really help this project out, feel free. Get up with Crypto Playground, aka Grip Elite, and hold on, Grip Elite and Crypto Playground. Maybe that's Mike. I get them mixed up. But those two guys are part of the Elite Council, and if you also hold 1 million J5 tokens, we'll add you to the Elite Council as well. But yeah, I've added to my bag here on Maze. Like 3 days ago, I bought more Maze. I'm big on Maze. If it can just capture a part of Caspa, we'll win. So I bought more Maze 3 days ago. I did add to my bag. I did, guys. I did. Jake made mad money with Saitama back in 2021. What's the Jake contract? Okay, I'll post it for you. Make sure you get the right one. All right, here. And remember, just wait on dips, guys. Don't ape in blindlessly. Like I said, I've been in this since 30K. I've been in it longer than that, but I got a 3x originally, took profits, and bought back in at 30K once I seen what the community was doing. I think that's the contract right there. In fact, I'll just put the whole deck screener in for you. I want to see people win, man. Did y'all watch the NBA draft last night? I don't think Bronny got drafted yet. What's the contract for Crash, or is it Baby Crash? Baby Crash, Baby Crash. Baby Crash. Do you use RSI to look at buying and selling, just learning about the power of this indicator? All right, so this is what I look for, right? Let's do Maze, because I think you asked me about Maze, for instance, right? Do we have enough? It depends on if we have enough information. Like, okay, so if I'm day trading, then I'm looking at the 5 or 15-minute chart, maybe the hour if the token's been around a while. For instance, here we have a little bit of information, enough information to trade here. We'll look at a long-term trade because Maze is a long-term play for me. So I look at this from a a 3-day chart, right? Because this is the information that we have. Now, what I'm looking at is that we're below the VWAP, right? The RSI is trending to the downside, and we're below the VWAP. So we got two things. No, excuse me. I said, yeah, we are. We're below the VWAP. VWAP is 34. So we got two things that's in the negative, which tells me that this is a good chance that this goes down, right? Also, you want to make sure you put out your support and resistance levels. I think understanding structure is like the main part of trading. So understanding the structure that's being built here, so you can know like when is the best time to add to your bag here. So you can see here we had structure. We dipped a low below the structure, and then we dipped back above it. So we were kind of like building structure here. So this is a good buy zone. The stock RSI is looking for momentum, but it hasn't confirmed momentum because it's not above 20. Only confirmation you get is above 20. So technically this is still bearish. It's below the VWAP. The RSI is trending to the downside, and the stock RSI has not confirmed bullish momentum. Next, I want to check the baseline. The baseline also is confirming bearish momentum right here, and this is a higher low from here, this neckline. So technically this can still go lower, but I think that there's a lot of strength with this project, right? If you look at the team and what they've done, they've developed. I know nobody gives a fuck about utility right now, but eventually when compliance and regulation hits, meme coins will probably get hit the hardest, right? So anybody that's really building anything with substance, right? Substance will fly. And I really, really like what Maze is doing. It's a form of Casper, but technically better because it's EVM compatible. But a lot of people would say, well, it's not its own chain, yet they've already built out their faucet and testnet where you can actually test out their chain, their speeds, transaction speeds, and fees, and things of that sort. So I don't look at this as nothing but as, great value Casper, right? You got Michael Jordan, you got Kobe, right? Kobe never was greater than Michael Jordan, but he got damn near close. And if Maze gets damn near close, we've won this trade. That's how I look at it, guys. You like Inu, Cock Inu coin? Check out the Godfather of Cock Inu website. Looks cool. Hopefully I answered your question here, H&H. Basis, yeah, I trade only on base. I do my meme coin trading only on base at this point. I don't have any thoughts on Catcoin. I don't really know anything about that. Everyone's been a veteran in crypto, knows what's coming. Newbies are not convinced yet like we are. Yeah, they'll end up buying the tops and being exit liquidity. That happens, right? But there are newbies that come into crypto and make money. For instance, Mega J is one of them. He came into crypto like around the hype and made a little bit of money into crypto, right? And he was pretty impressed on what crypto was. Unfortunately, things do correct. This is probably his first real correction. So he's getting a taste of the bearish vibes of crypto. But guys, it is what it is. Things don't go up forever, and that's just how it is. And that's just how it is. Anything else y'all guys want me to look at? Or is that it? Also, I'm keeping an eye also on a BVM here, guys. This, in my opinion, is I love charts like this, right? I love charts like this. I think when Bitcoin flies to 100K, 150K, people who bought BVM at these prices are going to be happy as hell. And anything that's like Bitcoin DeFi. I think Bitcoin DeFi is something that the Bitcoin maxis are going to warm up to. They don't want ETH DeFi. They don't want Solana DeFi. They want Bitcoin. They're maxis. They want Bitcoin DeFi. They want to unlock all that liquidity on Bitcoin. And I think at some point when they look to take those profits, they want to keep it within the Bitcoin ecosystem. This is a layer 2 modular layer 2 here on the Bitcoin ecosystem that I think eventually will get us a lot of looks. This is an example of how crushed altcoins have gotten the last 2 months and why this could be a great buying opportunity if you have the money. If you don't got the money, go get the fucking money. Don't try to use your mortgage or your car insurance or nothing. Don't pawn your wedding ring or nothing like that, guys. Go get the money. Go get the money. Salute to the community. Salute to J5. Nah, FOMO hasn't even started yet. FOMO has not even started yet, man. We got so much to look forward to in crypto, right? We go to the BTC charts here, guys. We haven't even touched the top of the trend line. Every bull market, we touched the top of the top of the trend line. We haven't even got close, right? We haven't even got close. So yeah, the RSI tells me Bitcoin could go lower.
It can go lower. It can come back down to about 55K and maybe 40 or something crazy like that in Black Swan. Maybe we get a recession. But I do not think that the Bitcoin bull run is over with. I just don't think it's over with, guys. I just don't think it's over with. Thank you for the $4.99 jumper DCS. I need the super chats, guys. The revenue here. That's why I started trading meme coins, man, because the revenue on YouTube has been horrible fucking last 2 months. Oh my God, guys, it's been horrible. It's been horrible. Like and subscribe. And it's because my Twitter. I know my Twitter played a big part in that, right? My Twitter played a big part in that. So, guys, my Twitter, please go follow my new Twitter. Go follow my new Twitter, baby. It's a lot of them I'm looking at, like IX Swap, right? This is going to be the swap here for RWA token. So you got a swap exchange basically designed here for RWA tokens. I think that this is going to make a lot of noise, right? Once the RWA narrative gets hot again, you got gaming tokens that, have fully retraced. For instance, Moon Tropica here. I've been meaning now this. I added to my Maze bag, but I need to add to my Moon Tropica bag here. I need to add to my Moon Tropica bag because I originally bought it $16.88, and now we're way under like our original investment. So I'm actually in the red with Moon Tropica at the moment. So it's probably time for me to DCA and add to my Moon Tropica bag here as well. It's stamped by Alex Becker. We haven't seen a lot about Alex Becker, and that's the thing, guys. At least I do try to stay like one or two videos a day, even when it's bearish. But a lot of these influencers, and I done digged up my nose on live. I am boo nasty, but it was bothering me. A lot of these influencers, especially the big ones, they just frankly disappear whenever the market gets bearish, and then watch them. Soon as AI and gaming start popping, Alex Becker will make another video. You gotta watch those type of influencers, man. You gotta watch those guys. Oh, Casper. Oh, I don't even want to talk about that token. That token could do well, though. I think that token could do well. Right? Casper. Wow. CSPR. Man, that shit got so crushing. It has some of the bullish, it has some of the most bullish, right? Hold on, I got text. It has some of the most bullish partnerships, but this thing got crushed, right? Let's go to the max here. Yeah, this is a blue chip with some of the most bullish partnerships you're gonna see. I'd rather buy this chart than buy it up here. You're at the floor. It ain't going. You're at the damn floor. So yeah, this could be a good buy, guys. It could definitely be a good buy. Okay. Hold on, I gotta send these text messages out. 1 second. Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, I think Casper has some bullish partnerships, man. I think there's a world where Casper at some points rebounds, but I don't know where it's at, man. I don't want to be that guy to tell you it's going to rebound because I don't know where it's at. When you see a floor like that, 80-20, you make money. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I prefer to buy my projects closer to the floor than at the top. It's one of the reasons why I'm very, very bullish on this token here, right? The Jake token, right? Because like I said, I'm buying all the floor, the same as I did with the Crash token, and I am just anticipating Jake to sniff this way, right? And it should explode. So yeah, I prefer to buy tokens at the floor than the bottom. Than the top. Is it true that the U.S. government is going to sell a lot of Bitcoin next week? Yeah, I think they've already started. It's definitely true. We had it pulled up earlier. They've already transferred 240 million. Come on, I gotta read. Okay, Okay, 1 second, guys. I gotta read. 1 second, guys. I gotta read. This is what Twitter does to me, right? I gotta log in because maybe somebody was hating off me or something, man. Twitter, I just can't take Twitter, bro. This shit Elon must be doing, bro. Like, come on, man. I'm on a live stream and then it's like you log me the fuck out. Why do you log me out? Like, what is going on, bro? This shit is just, man. It's just. Can't take it no more. Can't take it no more. Oh, wow. Soon as I get to talking about my account, log me back in, man. I thank you, Crypto Playground, for posting the live. In fact, let me just post the live again. I'm on my Twitter account. I don't know what's going. Look, you know, and then I lose viewers because of this shit. I don't know what's going on with this Twitter, bro, and they're bouncing people out and logging them out and making them do these stupid little cachets. Like, we never had this problem when what's the dude that was running Twitter? Yo, Elon, bro. Like, I'm a fan of Elon, bro, but X is terrible, bro. X is terrible. Like, you ban people and you don't even let people know why they get banned. You consistently log me out of my shit. Ah, man, I can't do this, X. I need another platform, guys. Guys, if y'all know another platform, please tell me. All right, where were we at? We were right here. All right, so yeah, the U.S. government sends 240 million Bitcoin to Coinbase Prime. The U.S. government just moved almost 4,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase, right? So maybe they sell it over time. We know that the Mt. Gox investors are up, right? They're up almost like 50x, which is like 9 billion in selling pressure. So where there's smoke, there's fire. I can't tell you how much they're going to sell, when they're going to sell, if they're going to sell it all. I don't know, right? But I can say this, that when there's smoke, there's fire, and it's a good chance that you will see some selling pressure from a lot of the stuff that's going on with the government. So, of course, everybody's not designed to become successful in crypto, and guys, that's just how it is. Okay. A cold challenge. Bro, I'm so sick of it, Pirate. Yo, Pirate, I don't know what... Look, I'm a big fan of Elon, but whoever they got, like, running the X, this shit is... It's ridiculous. We need another platform, man. I know X is like the crypto hub, and don't get me wrong, I was a big fan of X, but they banned me for no reason. When I try to appeal, they say I'm not logged into my account when I am logged into my account, so I can't even appeal, right? I've appealed 3 or 4 times before that, no fucking response. Like, oh man, like, Elon, bro. What is up with X, bro? What is up with that? Fake book banned me. I haven't even got on X. You got to be on X if you're in crypto. About to buy some Jake, but damn, that shit dumped crazy. Oh, yeah, man. Like I told you, I got a 3X out of it originally, but it's a community takeover now. So, guys, you say it dumped crazy, but I was here. I was here when Crash dumped crazy and people thought it was a scam. But the dev kept working. Like, this same... Look. Let me go to the daily so you guys can actually see what happened here with Crash. Crash, like, super didn't do nothing for, like, the first 3 days. Like, I was down here, right? I bought in at Crash at 27K. I thought it was over. I didn't even share because I thought, like, this is too risky to share. Woke up and overnight the shit was at $3 million. All because Crash started to, like, go back and forth with the community and stamp the token. So who knows, right? But Crash was started off slow. It started off slow, and in the same thing is similar to what we're seeing from Jake. I'm on. I'm also import Chinese crash and baby crash, which I don't think do not buy them tokens, guys. They could be scams, right? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'd rather buy the floor here. Yesterday I was in the voice chat with the community, and it's a few chats that I know from this big group on base that are seeming to take over this project. So, hey, it might not never go up. I don't know, man. I don't. What? Sexy Red got a token now on base? Stop it. What is external call? Oh man. Hopefully nobody gets scammed with this project here. Don't buy this. Do not buy that. Yeah, but contract is clean. The graphics is cool. Yeah, hopefully it comes back around. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I bought it at 30K. I bought it at the floor. So, hey, it is what it is. What about when he sent the car to the space and it had a mannequin in it? If you try to make a new Twitter with the same email, they gonna suspend it again. Nah. I got a new Twitter. I got a new Twitter, bro. I ain't gonna speak on it. No, Jace Carson. They're not gonna suspend it. I know what I'm doing. I'm already hip to that, man. I don't know what the hell Elon on with this Twitter shit, bro. This shit is bad. It's bad. It's more worse than it's ever been. Every day I'm getting logged out. It doesn't even matter. I'm critical. Have you checked out AWT? I remember energy token. Whatever happened to that, right? Energy web token, MWT. All right, let's see what we got. We got something new here. AWT. All right, $2 million market cap. 2 alerts. I wonder what that is on the audit. It's been around a while. Is this what you're talking about? This can't be what you're talking about. Now, I'm assuming this is not what you're talking about. Yo, I had Twitter since 2009. They just last year got mine suspended forever for no reason. Yeah, Jay, I'm with you. It happened to me. And Twitter is a big part of what I got going on as far as the community and getting the community project out there. Like, now everybody is looking for me. All of my friends in the industry, they probably think my Twitter is banned and I left crypto. They don't know I got another Twitter. It's so hard to get those type of people to re-add you, right? Because I had like Giga Chads adding me on my Twitter. Like, big people in the space was following my Twitter, right? Crypto Rodney, Jake Gag, and like, these are big people that were following me on Twitter. You feel me? And unfortunately now I don't have it, and I got to build that all up again. Polluk, Polluk. Let's see here, 343,000 market. This has been a slow roller, and it has retraced, right? It's retraced a lot, right? I know this thing was at like 2-3 million market cap at one point. The hype stage is over with, guys. It's building a floor like most base tokens do. I would recommend, if you're a big fan of this or you had high conviction, go hang around the Telegram, see what's going on in the VC, seeing if the people are still active, right? That's one of the big things that I want to get the community more. I've pretty much gave the Telegram to like Mega J, Crypto Elite, and Crypto Mike. So those guys handle the Telegram. Hopefully you guys are active. I haven't been in the Telegram in a while. But yeah, the volume is a little low right now. But it's still above the VWAP on the daily. Yeah, a move could be coming. Move could be coming, man. You don't know how long these moves last, right? You can see a double bottom here forming. What I like to do when I'm kind of ranging on how long the double bottom may last, like I see a lot of people don't do this, but I've seen that this works, right? I like to measure out the double bottom here. So that was 9 days, right? 18 bars. So if we just go out here and see where we started here, and we just put out 18 bars. Okay, so yeah, at some point the double bottom could work out, guys. Sometimes this little strategy works, sometimes it doesn't. but I've seen it work where the length of the first half of the W is actually the same length of the second half of the W. It's crazy how mathematics work in crypto. When Satoshi was creating this shit, it just falls hand in hand. So a move could be in fruition here, right? RSI is trending to the upside. Stock RSI has not confirmed bullish momentum, but you are above the VWAP, and at some point this will go for the cross. It looks like it's going for the cross here. It could confirm above 20. So yeah, I wouldn't get scared, man. You can see a solid floor here. Solid floor at about 300,000 for sure. Solid floor. Solid floor. We got 44 people in here. If you're new, my name is Crypto Millie. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Yes, Wheelchair Mafia. We talked about that earlier. What up, Millie? Have you checked out Bolt on base? It's Brett's dog. Yes. I've checked out Bolt. I've owned Bolt. I've made money with Bolt, Brett's cat. Yeah, I'm all on base, baby. I'm everywhere on base. Mars ain't running hard. All of a sudden, bots buying. No, it's not. I know you lying. Hey, I know you lying, bro. Ain't no way, Mars don't follow my channel, man. I ain't big enough, right? They don't follow little old Millie. All these influencer tokens coming out. I'm waiting for somebody to have the guts to drop a Crypto Millie token on base. Somebody even added liquidity and then removed it. Somebody's trying to create a liquidity pool here. Ooh, some pretty good, nice buys coming in. Yeah, I see somebody trying to create a liquidity pool for J5, and then they tried to create a liquidity pool and then they removed it. So you'll see like people starting to like get into like creating liquidity. Anybody can create a liquidity pool for a project. As you can see, they added 100,000 and then removed it immediately. So yeah, anybody can create a liquidity pool for a project. All over the screen, can't see nada. Oh shit, my bad, guys. I don't even know. I didn't even know. When did I do that? Why y'all ain't say nothing? Y'all just saying something? Did I just do that? Pay for a blue check. I hear at least better service. Why would I pay? So why would I pay for another blue check if I'm still getting charged for my original blue check on a suspended account and nobody can answer? You think I'm gonna give Elon any more money? He already a billionaire. Fuck no. I'm not paying for another blue check. I'm still getting charged for a blue check on an account that got suspended, and they still ain't tell me why my account's suspended. So why would I buy another blue check? That's ridiculous. I'm not buying another blue check until they tell me why they suspended my account originally, where they're still charging me for my blue check. That shit ridiculous. Hell no. He won't get no more money out of me. Bro, Elon ain't getting no more money out of me. I'm not paying for another blue check. I look at my account, I'm still getting charged for my blue check, yet y'all suspending my account, and y'all not even telling me why y'all suspending my account, but y'all still charging me for my fucking blue check. Bro got like 12 kids, bro. I ain't even finna, don't get me started. Don't get me started. Millie to the moon, pump it up. Abyss World? What is this? Not popping up. I don't know, man. I don't know, Crypto Goddess. I'm not sure what can you just drop the like, yo, when I look for a token and it's like not popping up, can you just drop the contract or drop the DEX tools or something? Like, make it a little bit more easier. Like, we're moving on this. He said, you over it. Yeah, Jay, you know what's up, Jay. They still charge you. He got the nerve to still charge me. And please. Man, Elon, bro, you can keep that blue check shit. Shove it. Shove it. Please. I don't respect it. He blamed your flat earth song? Why? It's kind of crazy that we can't break the firmament in 2024. We can't break the firmament, yet we went to the moon in what, 67? Let me not start. That's a whole nother story. Hey, Millie, do you know any low cap coin? Yeah, I know a lot, Josh, but you gotta join the Patreon. I do not share them on live stream. I gave you one. Matter of fact, I gave you one on the live stream already, right? I gave the live stream Jake Gagan. This is the only one I'm gonna give on the live stream. Nothing else. I gotta do more research. Think Brett below 2 billion for a blue chip meme still good to buy? No. Why would I buy a meme coin at a $2 billion market cap, bro? When I just told you I bought a meme coin at a $27,000 market cap and it went to a $30 million market cap. All right? Right? It's surreal, right? I still I look like I live a normal life. I ain't even gonna cap though. I've been going like Camaro SS shopping. I've been going Chevy Camaro SS shopping. I want a Chevy Camaro SS. So I've been doing a little shopping for a Camaro SS. I want a V8. I miss my Mustang, and I'm not buying nothing unless it's a V8. So I've tested a few Chevy Camaros SS, and it's burning my hands not to go to the dealership and go buy it. It's burning my fucking hands right now. Every time I ride by the dealership at least once or twice a day and got to stop myself from going to buy it because I know there's a bigger plan for me, right? But if I would have never took the profits and just held on the crash, I could have just went in and buy it and said, fuck everything, right? So now I got to make, I've been going Camaro SS shopping. I really, really want a V8. I really, really want a V8. I really want a V8. I just love the sound, right? And I think so I was doing the comparison between Camaro SS, the Mustang GT, and the Scat Pack, or one of them with 392. Because if I had it, I would get the Hellcat, right? If I would have just held the tokens, I would just go buy the fucking Hellcat, right? But yeah, I've been, they say that the Camaro SS is the best out of the three. I don't know. You guys let me know what y'all think. I got a big video. I got too many kids. Yes, these low caps, there is no guarantees with the super low cap, so putting big money is very risky. Sure, it is. Let me change my camera battery, guys. That's how cheap I am. Get a smart car. Nah, I don't want a Tesla. I want a muscle car. I'm a muscle car type of guy. What if they turn all the Teslas off at the same time, and like some weird shit happened in the computer, and you driving like 70 miles an hour on the highway, and they just shut off all the electric cars at the same time? Bro, that's scary to think about, but nobody don't think about that when they buy an electric car. They like, oh yeah, I'll buy an electric car. What if they just shut that joint off? They just shut off all the electric cars while you driving. You gonna be fucked up. You gonna be. That's like having your a car and your brake line go off. SS. Yes, bro. I'm addicted to the sound, bro. Look, I had a Mustang, 2006 Mustang V8. Let me make sure my thing. I'm back live. All right, so I had a 2006 Mustang V8, Logan exhaust, every cams on that bitch, everything, bro. And I used to, my neighbor, he'll turn on his little, he got a Chevy, he got the Chrysler 300S, right? And then my other neighbor got the Dodge Challenger 392, right? And then when they turn their cars on, you feel me? I can't wait to go outside in the morning and turn my car on, right? But I ended up selling my Mustang right before the crypto, right around the crypto bull run because I had multiple cars, and I'm like, yo, I can invest this money. I don't really need this another car, right? But now it's burning my hands again. I really, really miss my V8. Every time a car come across me and I hear that crackling sound, it just do something, bro. And if you ever had one of those cars, you already know, like, it's a real man's car. Like that, it's nothing like that. That crackling sound that them V8s, with the superchargers in it give it. Supercharger, bro. You feel me? So yes, I want the 6.2. So yeah, I went to test drive the 6.2 supercharged Camaro, and I loved it. And I want to go buy it. Instant torque, yeah. Power to weight ratio is the best. That's dialing. That's what I seen when I did my research, right? As far as like the weight to power, the SS is the best performer out of the Mustang and the Dodge. So I know you know your cars, bro. I know you know your cars. A Porsche. I can't tell you that, Mr. Dialing. That's too much information. You don't have to worry about the low cats where big backers are behind them. They don't just partner with anyone. Yeah, what's the you never sent the contract. Elon needs your money for his Cybertruck recalls. American Muscle, way to go. Maga Pepe running. It is, huh? Maga Pepe, which one? Is it the one that I have on my screen? Oh, it's not this one. It must be a different one. This one I was looking at trading. I may look, if it continues to hold this floor, I may trade this token. I may start to trade it, but I'm watching it and I want to see how it responds to the dumps, right? I'll have to go into Telegram and see what's going on. But this is a low cat 52. I'm not in this, guys, but I am watching this, and I might hop in it. I don't know. I gotta go hang around the TG and see what's going on. But see, when I'm live, I can't do none of that. It's above. Oh, you posted it? Where is it at? I don't see it. I don't think it came through. You down here in South Florida? Oh, yeah, well, you already know, man. Yeah. Down South Florida. Yeah, it's crazy out there, bro. I just seen the little video they was with the rapper Fulio. That's sad, man. Like, you gotta be safe out here today, man. You just gotta be safe. You gotta be safe out here. Moonbound, what's up, baby? I'm loving the channel, guys. If y'all into Elon content, make sure you guys go subscribe to my boy Moonbound Blunts, man. He started his journey as a crypto YouTuber covering Elon. Love to see it. CJ, you setting a bad example. I asked you guys not to ape when I do that, to wait on pullbacks. All right, hopefully you didn't invest what you're afraid to lose, all right? Oh, Jay. Hopefully you're not invest what you're afraid to lose. What is Jay? I'm not messing with you right now. Yeah, darling, it's crazy out there in Florida, man. You gotta be safe. Better safe than sorry these days, man. Check into Crocodile, part of the boys club on base. Baby Crash just came out on CMC last but not least brand new Matt Furry project called Nagwe. Yes, I actually hold a small. So I hold a small moon bag of Nagwe. I got into Nagwe very, very early. I got into Nagwe very, very early, right? Very early down here. Was able to get my moon bag out. With my profits out here. And now I have a small moon bag here of Nagwe. So I do have this token. Like I said, I trade base meme coins all day, guys. I'm in the trenches. If you trade base meme coins, then you probably see me hanging around or joining groups. You probably be like, oh, that's fucking Crypto Millie right there. What is he doing? Yes, that's me. You probably see me hanging in voice VCs. I never say anything. I just hang around. I never say anything. And most people don't know it's me. They don't even know it's me. Until I be like, yeah, it's Crypto Millie. I'm looking at your token. They be like, oh shit. And then you'll see a lot of people like it and fire and be like, oh shit, Crypto Millie. So yes, I got in this token very early. Took profits up here at the top, and now I'm holding the moon bag. Hopefully my moon bag does well. Very familiar with Nagwe. It was a successful trade, guys. If you're not into trading meme coins, I don't know what to tell you. I don't want to be that guy to tell you, but just on the. Okay, I'm gonna just say on the light hand. If you're good at this shit, right, and it takes 16 hours a day, like a regular job, but it's easy money. You can make $300 to $1,000 a day. I'm not fucking bullshitting you when I tell you, and that's on the light. On the light, I'm telling you, that's on the light. If you put up more, you probably make $1,000 to $10,000 a day. If you're putting up some stupid money, I don't put up a lot. I'm very conservative, but just on the conservative end for anybody that's into it, right? You can make 300 to 1,000 a day once you know this shit, right? You know what contracts to look for. You know what to look for in communities. You know what CTOs to buy in. It's easily 300 to 1,000 a day that you can make. More than you would make just working a regular job. Clears it easily, right? Just simply trading base meme coins all day. So it might not sound like a lot to some people, but $300 to $1,000 a day, you do that shit 6 days a week. It start to add up. All right. So yes, I've already made profits here with Nagway. I have a moon bag. I've made profits with Matt token. This is another one that I've made profits with. So you never see me really share these tokens that I trade. But I do trade these tokens, right? I've got into this one early as well. The Matt Furry token here. Made profits with this one. I can show you guys the 4 hour, maybe the 1 hour chart. You can see here, I got into this one early, and now I just down here got into this one early down here. Waited for it to. So what I do is I wait for the ape jump and the base jump, jeets to sell out, right? Wait for them to sell out, and then I pay attention to what the dev and the community is doing, right? And then I try to see if some of my giga chads from these groups are buying the token. We got into it around here once it sold off, and then that shit exploded here. Was able to take a little bit profits, and now I also have a moon bag of Matt Fury token. So I trade base meme coins all fucking day, at least 5 to 6 days a week, and you can easily make 300 to 1,000 daily if you know what you're doing. And that's no cap. There's no cap. I don't see it on your screen for some reason, but I posted it 3 times. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't see what you're posting. I don't know if my I don't know if my chat immediately deletes it. I don't know. They might think it's a scam. I'm not sure. Thoughts on Mint Layer? Whew, I haven't checked out that one in a while. Moonbound. I got some other what's it called? Badges now. But if we just looked at BVM, I would think Mint Layer probably has got crushed as well, right? Yes, crushed, right? Yeah, Bitcoin DeFi will come back around. I said this with BVM. Can I look at this Mint Layer on Dex Screener or Dex Tools? But I think they got their own contract here. I don't think it can pull up on Dex Tools unless they changed it. Let's see here. Yeah. They still don't got the right contract up there. It'll come back, man. You know, Mint Layer, it's the same as what we was talking about with the BVM, right? These Bitcoin liquidity DeFi projects eventually will go back up, right? When Bitcoin finishes its correction, when Bitcoin finishes its sell-off, and we get this Mt. Gox creditors, and we get this the government selling, at some point, we'll start to see Bitcoin DeFi come back. It made a lot of people money. A lot of people bought at the top. A lot of people have lost money, so at some point it's going to come back around. I would have to put this in the TNA. I haven't done any TNA on it, but $17 million market cap for what these guys are working to develop is a steal. I haven't been checking up on it as far as the updates like I have with BVM. I'm a little bit more bullish on BVM. But, yeah, what I would say is just check the updates. Check the Twitter. See if they still working. See if they're still developing. Seeing the new updates. What's going on. And eventually it could come back. Thoughts on Bitcoin on base? That was one I missed. That was one I missed, man. I seen Bitcoin at base at an $800,000 market cap, and it went to 30 million. It did like a 30x, right? It did like a 30x. You like Crawl? Yeah. I checked out Crawl with a knife. What wallet user base? New tokens don't show on Base wallet. I don't use Coinbase. It's kind of like X, right? Me and Coinbase don't have the best relationship. So I have to, trade my base meme coins a little different than people would. You a meme coin kid? I'm not, bro. I actually think meme coins are taken away from the true space of crypto, and that's building stuff that's here to stay. But I got bored and I started trading meme coins, and I actually am pretty good at it. So I don't know. I'm good at it. So he said, I think a lot of dolphin and tunas, since you mentioned Jake, is going up. Look at the candle. Let's see here. Oh, it's at 90,000. All right, man. I'm telling you, man. I seen Crash token do the same thing. Yeah, it's going up. That's what I like to see. Let's go. Pump it, Jake. Pump this shit, Jake. Tweet this shit, Jake. The fuck? Tweet this shit, bro. Pump it. I don't call them alerts. I don't call them calls. But yes, I did share. I shared a couple. I shared like Biggie. I shared Ansem, and they're time sensitive, guys. So when you get in, when I share it, it's a good chance that you'll probably make it like a 2x, 3x. I don't know if it will be sustainable. I can't say, oh, this token is going to be sustainable and it's going to the moon. I can just see where I'm seeing things developing because I'm in the VC chats. If you're in the elite council, you get the real. So those guys, they already knew what time it was with some of those tokens because we kind of like chat. We know what the fuck is going on in the circles. You feel me? But yes, I do let people know what's going on with the base meme coins. If I got a nudge that, it's looking good, right? But I don't like to call it calls. I don't like to call it alerts. I don't like to say buy calls or nothing and then sell calls because if you buy, then you don't know when to sell. Now you're asking me, Millie, when I would sell. I can't tell you when to fucking sell, and I can't tell you when I'm gonna sell and all that. Then you're gonna front run me. You get what I'm saying? So crypto is still PvP. I can show you I can point my elbow and show you the way. You gotta make your own decision. You gotta know when to sell on your own, right? I can't walk you through this. Crashing Jake got something coming. It is big for Brett. Loading up on more Brett. Did you see the Crashing Brett token? I took an L on that one. I do take L's, guys. I do take L's. I think I'm still in the L with Biggie, but just recently, Iggy Azalea liked one of Biggie's tweets, so I think I'm still in the No, I'm actually in the. I'm not in the L, but. The gains that I had with Biggie, I don't have. I had a lot of gains with Biggie, right? I think I got into Biggie around 40K market cap. The first time I mentioned it in the Patreon, it was 71K. So anybody that bought Biggie technically is still up, right? You're not in the L yet. You can see here, this is perfect consolidation with Biggie. And Iggy Azalea is now starting to like some of their posts. So that's all I'm going to say. The volume is just too low right now. The makers is low. But there are Chads that I know that are running this project, and they have the best interest for this project. But the volume has to get up. The makers have to get up. That's why I don't like going live for too long, because then I start spilling the secrets and the beans. How do I sign up? Where's the link? Hold on. Let me see if I can get you a Patreon link right quick, guys. 1 second. I'll be right back. Y'all like when I go live. I noticed that. Y'all be like, Millie, why you go live? I got you, man. Hey, and I want to let you guys know, like I said, we win some, we lose some. I don't post in the Patreon each and every day. So anybody that's thinking I'm about to give you plays every day, there's a lot of plays that I'm into that I do not post because I don't have the confidence to post them in the Patreon. So when I do post something, that means I've been watching it for a while. I have confidence in it, and it's something that I think that has potential. All right. So sometimes I may go like 2 or 3 days and there might not be no post, right? Or you might not be in a tier where you've seen the post because we have different tiers in the Patreon. So usually the highest tiers, they get posts like real decent shit. But then like the lower tiers, we get like, more like the I don't want to say like, and I don't want to say like blue chip plays, but it's just like less volatile plays. I'll just put it like that. No problem, Crypto Goddess. Because I'm so busy like trading meme coins, guys. I can't keep up with everything. Making good multiples on memes, but too scared to put big money in. It's okay. Don't put big money in. You don't have to put big money in. Solana ETF next? I know you capping. What? Dang. I might have to go do some. I don't know, bro. They get an ETF, bro. I don't know if this is good for Solana because Solana is real degency, and the ETF probably is gonna like tighten that shit up, right? Tighten that up. But this is good news for crypto. This is good news for the crypto. This is good news for crypto. All right, let's get a round of applause. Let's go. Breaking news. Solana gets an ETF. VanEck US files for Solana ETF. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yo, Solana probably gonna go crazy. I might have to trade some meme coins on, boy. Solana boy, trying to trade meme coins on Solana, you gonna. It's a different beast on Solana, man. I ain't that good. Like I'm good on base. I'm trash on Solana. I put it out there like I can't figure it out. Let's go, Jake. Let's go. Send us to 30 million like Crash, baby. Let's go. Juggling's my boy. Let's go. Bro, Soul Jeets hit different, bro. Soul Jeets hit different. Oh, I miss going live with y'all. I missed going live, man. I did miss going live with y'all. I missed it. I'm happy to be back. I miss going live with y'all. I miss that energy. Man. I miss that energy. I can't tell you what to do, H&H. I can't tell you what to do on with Myro and Ponke. I don't even be on Solana like that to give you no. Oh, word up! I got profits at the same time. I want to swap for Soul. You think Soul price gonna go up from here? Yeah, Soul just took a nice good spike, right? Yeah, it did take a spike. Shit, I might need to buy some Solana and split up this ETH that I've been getting and get some Soul. Yeah, I might need to get some Soul. Now that I think about it, that is a good idea to get some Soul and kind of front run this ETF jargon that we are seeing. Salute, baby, on the Solana ETF. Yeah, I can't tell you H&H how to work your bag, baby. You gotta work your bag how you work it. You gotta find a strategy that works for you, man. You gotta find you a strategy that works for you. I can't tell you what to do with your damn bag. All right, I'm trying to help some people make some money today, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help you guys make some money today. You know, also consider our community project, guys. I mean, we are at the floor. We're at the floor. Like I talk to the whales every day about J5, right? We're at the floor. I talk to the whales each and every day. We're here. We're at the floor. You feel me? But hey, it doesn't matter. If we just stay at the floor, we stay at the floor. Hey, I can say I tried to put something out there. It is what it is. Also, people made a good bag. Salute to you. And yeah. Not mad about it at all. Not mad, not discouraged. I round tripped my bags right with you guys. I put a lot of money into this project. It is what it is. And I've washed my hands to where I don't let it affect me. Like it used to, like the chart used to affect me, it used to bother me. I don't even let it affect me or bother me no more. It is what it is, right? I understand what crypto is. You can see here, are meme coins ruining crypto? 53% of people said no. Let's refresh this page and see if that has changed since then. Make sure you go follow me on YouTube too, Crypto Millie. I almost got 20,000 subscribers, guys. Help me get to 20,000 subscribers. All right, so yeah, 53% people say no, 47% of people say yes. So it's almost pretty split on if meme coins are ruining crypto, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. We saw, we came, we conquered. Hello, Millie, sup, bro? Elon is pumping. I told you guys Elon would pump. I made a video about that a couple days ago. I said Elon was looking real good on the 3-day in the daily. Unless you're talking about the other Elon. And this thing went down to like an $80 million market cap. But Elon got some, I don't know where this is not a pump, bro. This is definitely not a pump. Maybe you're talking about Elon, the other token. It's another one that's giving it some comp now. 69420 is the contract address, baby. A beautiful chart, by the way. You know, normally Elon tokens, the Dog Elon Mars community makes sure them shit's not successful. But this one has been surprisingly successful. So yeah, I don't know where you see Elon pumping on either chart, because Dog Elon Mars is not pumping and this Elon ain't pumping. So I don't know what you call pumping, bro. If Gary Ruggs, Solana, then J5 will fly immediately. Binance has been Binance has been our kryptonite, right? So we're working to get on base, right? We're working to get on base. Maba. Oh, y'all, come on, y'all. I'm missing out on trading right now because I'm going live and y'all want to sit here and do this to me on these base meme coins. Make America based again. Oh, this is an OG one, right? So, some OG ones I do get into if the chart is bottomed out. This is a nice chart. This is a nice chart here. It's up 20%. This is a beautiful chart. I'm loving this artwork here. This is beautiful artwork. Yes, I like this. I like this picture. Could be good. Could be good. Could be good. Could be good. Chart looks nice. Chart looks nice. Chart looks nice. Won't cap. Chart looks nice. Okay, guys. I don't know how long I've streamed, but I've streamed almost 2 hours. All right, we'll go a little bit longer. We're not at 2 hours yet, so we'll go a little longer. I'll hang with you guys. A little bit longer. Did y'all pump the Jake bags for me yet? Okay, we're almost over 100K. We're almost there. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on, Jake. I need Jake to see this token so we can do another crash, baby. Shaggy. I'm familiar with Watt. This is one that I faded because I don't know. What the fuck? Anal. Guys, we got to do better. That was the most weirdest token I've ever seen in my life. And then they got the picture of somebody ass crack. What? Are you talking about this, bro? Yeah, I missed out on this token. I think this was like fairly launched. I missed out on this token because I thought it was a scam and the audit didn't check out quick enough for me, so I faded it. And it just kept going up and I'm like, no way, this is a real token. But actually, I believe it's actually a real token, and it flew to like 1-2 million so quick. And yeah, now it's at 10 million. I remember when this shit was like 200,000-300,000. I faded this, man. I faded this. I didn't like the artwork. It didn't step out to me. But what is it? And yeah, it's always the ones that you just be like, oh man, this is not good artwork. This is not, you know. But it's Matt Furry's rat. Why did I not check out the Twitter? Why did I not? If I knew this was a Matt Furry token, then I wouldn't have faded it. Yeah, I seen this man about 200,000-300,000, and I didn't even hop in. But salute to you if you won that trade, man. I'm loving it, man. This shit went to $10 million. Woohoo! Let's go. I love to see success out here in the streets for y'all. In the trenches, right, baby? In the trenches. Salute to you, Jay Nitto. Salute to you. Is that it, chat? I'm looking at my other screen here. Now I be wanting to like just buy stuff. I gotta catch myself. Benji? I haven't looked at that one in a while. I got a baby Benji. My boy Manchester shared in the chat that I was looking at. I don't know if it's still doing good. Baby Basenji. Wow, this joint has been a beast, bro. This has been a beast. Look, see, that's what I'm saying. You see why the cup and handle is one of the most. You see why the cup and handle is one of the most coveted patterns in the history of crypto. The cup and the handle with the double bottom is just a patented move, man. And then you get this explosive move, and then the handle. Oh, this looks wonderful. You can't get a more beautiful chart than this. This is beautiful. This is a work of art. This is just textbook, guys. Yeah, but Benji looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Even at a $60 million market cap, this is still a good buy. Because the chart tells me that this is just going to continue. You know, if it can hold, and it's looking like it's going to put in that flag pattern there. But if it can hold, it's the handle here. You know, this is a textbook path, right? Right, you know, something like that. Not bad. I like, but Benji is real. It's real business right here. Benji is real business. Any base tokens you recommend? They all look sus. Nah, bro. I can't even say they all look sus, bro. I make money every day on base. Jay, I make money every day on base. You just coming to the stream? If you just came to the stream, I just recommended one, which is Gagan. It looks like it's going to do something silly like Crash did. Like I said, I got in the Crash at a $27,000 market cap, went to $3 million overnight. Should have took profits there, and then it ended up going to $30 million. And now I just got a nice little moon bag that's sitting nice in Crash, and I think Crash is going to pump it to 100 million, maybe $1 billion. Nah, base tokens ain't sus, bro. You just gotta know what you're doing. I can't even cap to you, Jay Nitto. The base tokens it's like a souped up 9 to 5, baby. Souped up 9 to 5. You think that weirdo? I think that's how you spell it. Thoughts on Pepe on base long term? You talking about the blue one? Probably do good. I did my bad. Weirdo. Let's check it out. Dog Along Mars family, do y'all step this Elon token, or y'all not fucking with it? Let me know. Weirdo. I bet I spelled that wrong, right? I went to public schools. Excuse me, guys. Weirdo on base. $6 million market cap. Yeah, still got a lot of room to grow. Yeah, bullish. So looks like it's above the VWAP, which is bullish. All right, it's above the VWAP. RSI cross bullish. Stock RSI confirmed bullish momentum. A little overbought, but not too concerned because the RSI is not overbought, and you got bullish momentum above the VWAP. Technically, I don't know if its sentiment of it is bullish just yet. You gotta pick up another zero, right? You gotta delete a zero, get to about 201 before it actually turns back bullish. Great buying opportunity if you're bullish on this, right? Weirdo is here to stay. It's proved itself. It looks like it's one of those tokens that's here to stay. Not bad. But I haven't hanged around the TG. I haven't looked at the artwork. I haven't been in voice chats or voice calls, so I don't know. But it is up 18% on the day. The indicators look a bit bullish on the daily, and it looks like it's preparing itself for another move to the upside. Look like it wants to start another uptrend here. Yep. Make money, lose money all the time on base tokens. Well, then you gotta learn how to get in and get out, bro. You gotta learn how to look. You gotta learn how to take profits and have no regrets, right? So I have a strategy that I use, right? And I never go against my strategy. I'm very, very self-disciplined, right? It's the 10x 100x strategy, right? Because of the strategy, I lost out on life-changing gains with Crash, right? Life-changing gains, right? I can literally could have almost $1 million in Crash right now. No fucking cap, right? But I stick to my strategy and I'm very, very disciplined. So if you have a strategy where you say, hey, I am taking full profits every 10x, and then I'm rolling that in to other meme coins, or I'm just going to stack ETH, depending on how you do it, right? So what I like to do is I like to decipher between the 10x to 100x, take profits, transfer most of my ETH back to the exchange, and keep the initial starting that I started with to trade meme coins again and again and again. And it's been very, very profitable. So the only way that I can say that you make money and lose money is because maybe you got like again, if you don't got time, then you're not going to be able to do this. If you got like a regular job and shit like that, then you can't do this. I'm gonna be honest with you. You can't trade meme coins. Unless you're going to be and you can't catch shit quick enough on your phone because like it's too bulky and hard to swap on your phone. You got to be on your computer. So like if you got the time, if you ain't doing nothing, you feel me? And you just like, you know what? I don't do nothing. I'm looking at crypto each and every day. Let me lock in and learn how to do this shit. If you do this shit for 16 hours a day, you usually can make $1,000 a day. It's no cap. When YouTubers say that, they not capping to you, bro. But you have to have time to do this. Time in the market, right? Because if you don't have the time, then you can't do this. Then you will buy a meme coin and you probably made a good play, but you didn't get out in time because you just didn't have the time. You probably doing something, you probably at work, you don't have the time. You know what I'm saying? So the biggest way that this works out is you have to have the time. That's the only way it's gonna work out. So I'm sitting at a screen all day, I ain't got nothing else to do. Make content, trade meme coins. Make content, trade meme coins. That's my life. Yes, I do. I do sell on pumps sometimes and buy back. I just told you I just did that with the Jake token. I made a 3x, bought back in after the community takeover. Yes, I do that. Full transparency. All right. You said the baby crash. Let's get into it. Yeah, it's a lot of fake ones, guys, so you want to make sure you're getting the right one. Oh, yeah, this is the right one. Crypto Goddess said, I'm ready to make it. She said, I'm ready to make it. Fuck all this. I'm ready to make it. Yeah, sometimes you gotta sell on your pumps and you gotta buy back in, man. You know, Kendu on base. Salute to Solana, man. I see y'all just became meme coin savants, huh? No utility tokens, no use case today. Ooh, I love the artwork. I love the artwork here. I'm a big anime fan, so I love the artwork. All right. So this is one that I would like be paying attention to. I want to know what's going on. I want to know why it's dumping. Are we doing a CTO? Are we doing a community takeover? Will it be able to hold this final last leg of support, right? You got support here, which most likely will be resistance. And then, yeah, you got this little structure right here. So it definitely broke out the structure. Hopefully this candle here is a wick candle like we seen from right here, 1, 2, and it bounces back up in our structure. So you want this right here, you want this to end up being a wick candle and bounce back in. If it does not bounce back in, then you are in trouble, right? And you got to look at it like, okay, where will the floor, you know, where will the floor start building out, right? Where will the floor start building out, right? Because it's going to come back down if it can't break back above into the structure. And you don't have much structure, but we know that it's structure because we got 2 wick candles here. So at the end of the day, you know, will it break back into the structure? Who knows? Let's put it into our back end, which I like to have already set up on Dex Tools because it has all my indicators already put together. Let's see here. All right, can do. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, so we don't have much information, so most traders are looking at this from the 4-hour chart. All right, so bearish. It's a bit bearish. I mean, 4 hours okay, but it's not giving me any. It's not really giving me any. You know, I can't really say, hey, this is the end of the dump. I can't say this is the end of the dump. I think it can come down a little bit further because you got structure here, and you've built structure here that has now turned into a little bit of resistance. So, I mean, I think it could come back down to our last leg of structure here at about what, 5? What's this? 5.2, and it's at 5.3. Could come down to 5.2. You're below the smooth line. Still bearish. $3 million market cap. So the next step would be, if I was interested in this token, is going to the Telegram, hanging around, seeing if people are active, seeing if it's a community takeover, seeing if they're paying for DEX ads, if they're paying for base DEX, if they're paying for all of that. You know what I mean? I want to know if they're doing the necessary things to get the token out there, because you can see for a token that's sitting at a $3 million market cap, it's severely lacking here on volume. So technically, this is still a bit bearish, guys. Can't watch all the time. This is why I'm a meme hodler. Yeah, crypto playground. It's okay, bro. Because if you hodl the right meme coins like Crash, you became a millionaire, right? So there's nothing wrong with that. So it's just gotta hodl the right ones. Hey, yo, KG just made my day, man. What's up, bro? Bro. You just made my day on the live, bro. I should shut the live down. I can shut the live down right now, bro. Just knowing that you here, bro. My boy AOKG, bro. I was starting to worry about you, dog. I was starting to worry about you, bro. I was starting to worry. I was about to hit you up like, bro, is you okay? You alive, my nigga? Excuse my language. You alive, dog? Don't miss Elon the next few days. You will regret. Okay. Elon has put in a nice, good correction, Rock. I'm not going to say it hasn't. Show us how to use fibs on a 4-hour time frame. I don't use fibs, to be honest with you guys. Everybody use their indicators. I used to use fibs, but fibs with meme coins is like, I don't use fibs. I can use fibs, but I don't use it enough to be able to explain it to you in a clear fashion, right? And if I used it, then I would be using it now. I used to use fibs, but I just don't use fibs. It's not something that makes or breaks my trade. You know what I mean? Everybody uses what they use. You know, maybe you find another YouTuber that uses fibs and ask them, yo, how do you use fibs? Hey, I apologize. I personally don't use them unless I'm looking at something that I have high conviction on long term, right? I don't even use fibs on Bitcoin. I don't use fibs. I'm be honest with you. I used to use fibs. I don't use them any longer. And it's okay, because what I do works out for me, and what you do may work out for you, H&H. It's good, my boy AOKG is in here, man. I appreciate it. What do you mean, Josh? Do I use Dex Screener to make money? Good morning, Castro. We got our J5 people in the chat making my day, man. Seeing the J5 community here and strong, bro. That's what the freak I'm talking about. We working on our base. So again, if you hold 1 million J5 tokens, please reach out to me, Crypto Playground, or Grip Elite. We will add you to the group if you hold 1 million J5 tokens. What up, AOKG, bro? I'm happy you here, man. Just seeing you and Mega J on the chat made my day, bro. Made my day. I know I haven't. To be fair, I haven't even been going live, bro. I got so warped up into meme coin trading that it's been like a grind, bro. What I've done in the last 3 weeks it's probably more than I've done holding. I don't want to say this because I don't want to poison anybody and think like hodling is not the way, because hodling is the way. But I have experience, and I've utilizing that experience in the trading environment, and it works for me, right? So I don't want to discourage anybody from hodling, guys. Hodling is the way. When Crypto RS says hodling is the way, hodling is the way. I'm not here to discourage you, but if you know what you know, Millie done put you on some bags. It is what it is. Thomas, yes, man. Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you guys, man. Good to see good to see the gang in here, man. Good to see the J5 gang in here. Y'all understand. Y'all make me want to go harder. You know what I'm saying? When I see y'all in here. Yo, Millie, what's up, big dog, wise mind? What's good, baby? Glad to be here yourself. Always working, but got time off the call, so able to listen in live today. J5 community, Bird Dog on Solana chain, the 5th of Matt Furry's Boys Club. Yeah, man, y'all went Bird Club. Bird Dog on Solana community is, hey, J5 community, take a page out of their book. They know what they doing. They come and they shield they lives on people on the YouTubers live stream. Salute to the Bird Dog community. I gave y'all some love earlier. Y'all want a video? You already know. Tap in with me. Hit me up somewhere, maybe Discord, Twitter, or whatever. Follow the Twitter. You know, if y'all want a video, we can work on something. I do sponsored videos. Yeah, you gotta hit me up. Anyone else in the chat that has not checked out J5 fam, why not? yo, I said this earlier. If the community would really like go crazy and support, like we can really send this shit, guys. We can really send it. I'm telling you, the floor is in. The floor is in, and I've round tripped my bags. Right, and me and the Elite Council, we've been talking about some things. We probably do got a little bit more selling pressure coming, because we do have to get the base liquidity pool done, and it's depicted upon how many people can donate to the marketing wallet. If we can get some people to donate to the marketing wallet, then we won't have to liquidate as much tokens to start the base chain LP pair. But the chain is ready. Like, our base chain is ready, the pair is ready. All I got to do is do it, right? And set up the liquidity pair. So I'm doing research on that to make sure I do it correctly. You know, guys, I always work to do things right, just like I did the Polygon Matic pair correctly, right? So if we can get some donations to the marketing wallet, we won't have to liquidate as much tokens to create the liquidity pool. And that's just me keeping it all the way 100 with you guys. So it's still a little bit of selling pressure there. I've talked to the Elite Council. We got like an idea of the market cap that we may have to go to before we can do what we're working to do. But it's okay. We're here and we ain't going nowhere. Rich Porter meme coin. Yeah, trigger the base chain, the crypto milli. Somebody go on base jump, make a crypto milli meme coin. And if you're not a scammer, hey, I might support it. But make sure you send me my damn supply. Send me my damn supply. Send me 5% of that supply. If you're gonna go create a base jump or ape store meme coin on crypto milli, send me my fucking supply. I'm not gonna dump it. We working to make some millionaires over here. Awesome to hear base is next. Appreciate you keeping it real. Oh, of course. Yeah, base is next. I talked to the Elite Council. We already the bridge is ready to go. It's ready to go. We use the same I could have did it on Axelar, but I was a little wary with Axelar because of what happened with that AI token we used to talk about. That I had so much, man, bro. That AI token could have been the token, but they got hacked on Axelar, right? So I was a little wary of starting the base chain. I don't know the ups and the ins and outs of how they got hacked. I don't know the story, right? But that AI coin I was very, very big on, right? And they went to go do some type of multi-chain thing and they got hacked. So I was like, I'm gonna just stay away from Axelar for now, even though we are registered on 15 different chains, and just stick with what I know, right? If you know, you know. Yesterday the team hit me up and said that the base chain was ready. Salute to Mega J for keeping up with that. Because if you guys don't know, my Telegram, the J5 Telegram also got suspended for some reason. I don't know why they keep suspending. It's obviously our community has a hater or somebody that's in the inside that just don't like us or just don't like me. I don't know, but that shit got suspended. So I had to. I'm under another J5 Telegram name, and y'all know some people know it, some people don't. But yeah, we've been talking about base. The bridge is ready to go. We just got to create the liquidity pool, and we're working to get the funds through the marketing wallet on that, opposed to liquidating the tokens that we have set aside. So if you've noticed, like, top holders rarely moves, right? Everybody, I'm in contact with the whales all the time, top holders, and we shoot the shit all the time, and the floor is being held. So anybody that's looking for opportunity, the one thing that kind of like holds us back is Binance's volume, right? Binance's volume, right? And that's one of the reasons that in Polygon's volume has died out as well, right? So when I first did it, I wanted to be different. Like, I wanted to like make Binance great again and get Polygon going. And I thought that, we had enough firepower to do that. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. So now we're headed to Base and eventually Solana, those two. So that's what's in the cards. Go check out the token, whatever, man. 76,000 in market cap. It doesn't bother me at all. I know that the community and the whales and the OGs, they've round tripped their bags with me. We're here. And plus I make a lot of money doing Base meme coins, so I'm not too concerned. Base is now, maybe Ton is next, but Base is big and going to be bigger, but Solana is the biggest and the worst casino. Oh man, KRC20 would be nice. Hey, you're right. Look, I've divided different blockchains and it's devs that don't hodl. They only provide liquidity. Honda bought that to my weird. Nah, they don't. They don't holler. You'll see that. That's why you think community takeovers happen, right? Trust me, it's crossed my mind. I've thought about it like, oh man, should I just let the community CTO this shit? It's crossed my mind because I want to win and I want to see you guys win, right? But nah, I'm a dog, right? I'm a dog, and when you a dog, like in the midst of any type of what's the word I'm looking for? And when you a dog in the midst of any type of obstacles, right? You keep going, right? You get stronger, right? You get more fierce, right? You don't run away and duck your tail. And that's how I look at it. Yeah. They told you, like, Dev is cheating. Dev has dumped his bag. CTO, baby. CTO. Right? So if I ever decided to like dump my bags, yeah, CTO it, right? But I haven't, guys. I haven't, my bags are sitting right there. They never have been touched, ever. In fact, the only thing I've done at any point is added to my bags. Never sold any of my tokens. Never. I've always just added to it. Lone Wolf? Yeah, I've heard of Lone Wolf. I actually like Land Wolf, and I like Land Wolf's artwork. Like, the thing about Beast is there's a lot of scams. And they fucked up the Land Wolf. Like, baby Land Wolf, the artwork was beautiful. It had so much potential, but the dev was a cheater, right? All the Land Wolf artwork be dope, but we can't seem to find a good team that's willing to really push the project. And I've done research now on Matt Furry comic books. I've even designed some J5 artwork utilizing Matt Furry's art style. So you'll see some of the new artwork that I'll be putting out on the J5 Twitter. They're all in like Matt Furry art style. So I've considered like redoing a few things. I'm not going to say it yet because I don't want you guys to be holding me to it because I know how y'all get. But yeah, I've came up with some Matt Furry J5 art style, which is pretty dope. It's tokens like BTC and ETH to hodl, but being able to master day trading or just buy low. Yeah, man, I'm getting there, AOKG. I've been doing. That's why you haven't seen me drop as much videos as possible. Yeah, I heard on your video, and so no, you're an expert trader. I'm not a freaking expert trader. Don't do that, AOKG. Don't do that. I'm not an expert trader. I'm learning each and every day. Yes, Nagwe is, I like the artwork on Nagwe. And I also have a moon bag on Nagwe as well. I think I told you guys that. All right, so this is my current like biggest trade right now. This is my biggest trade right now. So hopefully it turns out well. You see Jeets, bro. Jeets. That's right. Another thing I like to do is whenever somebody Jeets, I like to see that they entire bag is gone, right? Right, good. You don't have any more tokens. Great. On Base? Yeah, base will be coming soon. I don't mind. I don't mind that. I don't mind when people be like, oh, I'm not rocking with Binance. I get it. I'm not even upset about that. I understood. Like, that's the one thing. If I could go on a time machine and do it all over, I would have did Base and Solana first. In fact, Solana was the original chain, but things happened, right? But And then, you know, guys, I'm learning each and every day, right? I don't want to become a serial developer. I've thought about launching a base. I know if I launched a base token, it would do well, right? If I sat there and said, if I went out there, right, and said, hey, I'm gonna launch a J5 variant on base, right? Just do a whole new launch, right? And it's the first time he's talking about this, right? Because I wanted to talk about this to the elite council. Say, hey, I want to do a whole new launch of J5, right? A new variant, right? And just this is for base, right? And I've came up with an idea, right? I've came up with an idea where, you know, I said, you know what, we can do a J5 variant on base. We'll have a wallet within the J5 variant on base that's designed to do buybacks on the original J5 to bring up the floor, right? To bring the Binance and the people. But then I was like, man, that would make me a serial developer. Do I really want to launch another token? Fuck no. I don't want to launch another token. I never want to launch the first one, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to launch. It was a cool little experiment, whatever. It's experiment, but like it's just too much, right? It's too much, right? So I thought about it and I was like, oh, nah, I'm not going to do that, right? It's a great idea, but, you know, I don't want to do that. But I would support anybody else that I trust. If, you know, somebody in the community want to go out there and launch a base jump token or an ape store token, and you say, hey, Millie, I'm going to do the right thing. You feel me? We'll help me with this. Hey, we'll give you a certain percentage. Help me with this. I'm open to that, but I can't see myself becoming a serial developer, even though I've thought about it. I've thought about launching a variant, right? On base, its own token, and having a wallet tied to doing buyback burns to the Binance J5, right? So I've thought about it, but now I was like, you know what? We're going to stick to this project. We'll just become multi-chain. You know what I mean? You know, and that's that. But I definitely have thought about it. You're right, Jugglins. Thomas, what you laughing about? What are you laughing about, Tony? I don't want to be a serial... Oh, you say send me my supply. Yeah, send me my damn supply. Yeah, you can create me a base jump token. Send me my supply. I want my shit. But send me my supply. Do you think we're at the Bitcoin floor? Hell no. What the hell? Hey, I don't think we're not at the Bitcoin floor, buddy. We're not at the Bitcoin floor. Bitcoin, you see where we started from? Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Nah, we're nowhere near the floor, buddy. I don't know if a YouTube comes and say we're at the floor on Bitcoin, you might just need to leave the live stream because they are lying to you. We're not at the floor of Bitcoin. They're lying to you. They lying to you, bro. I'm sorry to tell you, wise mind, that is not the floor. Have you heard of OmniSwap Launchpad? No, I've never heard about that. Jugglins, what's that? Good to see some utility tokens finally coming in here. Dude, start at the bottom now. I'm here right now. Yeah. I just thought it was funny about serial developer, but bro, it's serial developers out there, bro. If you just go to you look, the thing about like Base Jump, Pump.fun, and Ape Store is you can actually check how many tokens these guys drop, and it be the same developers like, oh, we failed, we're gonna relaunch CTO. We failed, we're gonna relaunch CTO. I like this artwork here. The Pepe Itachi. That's pretty dope. Did it launch? Not Brokey. But yeah, you can actually check these developers and see how many tokens they've launched, right? Trump, baby Jesus. They just going with anything, right? So with Crash with a hat did get free. Oh man. I knew I should have bought this out of Ape Store. I thought it rugged, but it must have came back just in 2 hours, right? Originally, the Crash with a hat had rugged, but it looks like they came back. Oh, this is not it. Let's see with. Oh, there he goes. You see, this is why you wait for the dump to happen. You see this, guys? It originally rugged in Ape Store, right? But I guess people bought up the dip, and then it got launched, and it rugged again, as you can see here. So they probably going to do like a CTO, community takeover, you know. And even though you see charts like this, I keep my eye on, because what I'll do is I'll go hang around in Telegram and wait for the community takeover. And as soon as I see a good group of people coming with the community takeover, I just start buying a whole bunch of it. I buy a whole bunch of it. A lot of the money I've made off trading meme coins have come from community takeovers. Started from the bottom, now I hear. No, you wrote that. There's crypto guy with his multi-chain launcher. Okay, we'll check that out. OmniSwap multi-chain. I think I did. I think somebody was talking about critical. If you do your own coin or personally invest without, I do have my own. I've already dropped my own coin. Already dropped my own coin. Rock. What do you want me to drop another coin? Our community token is here. You must not have known. This is our community token here. J5, Johnny 5. This is the first token that I've ever created, and it's probably most likely will be my last. But yes, you said that you would support it. We'll support it because it's already here. In fact, it's been around for the last 6 months. 6 months, right? Yeah, 6 months. 6 months. So yeah, a lot of people made a whole bunch of money in the hype stage, and then cheated on us, and now we're just building out our floor, right? So yeah, you know, if you want to become a J5 whale and hold 1 million tokens, we'll add you to the group. You know what I mean? And we'll get you in the elite council. And anybody that holds 1 million J5 tokens, get in the elite council, guys. Get in it. We got a huge burn coming up in about how many months is it now? We got one more burn. We got one more huge burn coming up in 7 months, guys. So we got another hype event. Last time the burn event went crazy. The burn event sent us like almost to 2 pennies. The last burn event sent us at all-time high. Damn, I didn't even realize it. We went to 2 pennies, guys. Look where we are now, 201. He went to 2 pennies. And it wasn't like the dev cheated. I didn't cheat. You know, only thing I did was I paid for everything that everybody wanted. People wanted coin market cap. People wanted to get listed on an exchange, and there's overhead that you got to pay monthly for exchange. People wanted us to get market making. We did all of that. Multi-chain, create a pool on Polygon Matic. So we did everything. We did everything that other meme coins don't do. We did it all, right? Coin market cap, Coin Gecko. We got everything. We got everything. Only thing that held us back was just being a Binance token, because nobody buys meme coins on Binance anymore. If we was on Base, we would be way, I don't even, like, if we was on Base in Solana, we'd probably be like in the multi-millions easily. I am confident in telling you guys, if we were on Base in Solana, just based off my pull on the token itself, we would easily be $1 million, $2 million, $3 million market cap. Easily. Only reason we're not, because we're on Binance. The only reason. Jazz me to $1. Hey, it may happen, right? Josh? So 50K Bitcoin before altcoin season? Hell no. Why is my I'm done talking to you for the day. Bird Dog Solana is a CTO. Yes, CTOs. I wait for CTOs. CTOs. All right, so I'll share it. I'll share our community token in the chat for you guys that want to help out. You know, get us back out there. Right, we're working on that base liquidity pair. Get up with the Discord, and we can work on getting anybody that's holding a million tokens inside the what's it called? Inside the elite council, and then we can work on getting that marketing wallet up. Oh, I just shared it for you. If you prefer buying on Polygon, I believe our Polygon pair is all the way up. We're on Polygon too. So you guys, I would recommend you guys getting the Polygon going as well. And none of these tokens are our token, right? Except this one right here on Polygon. This J5 is not us. This J5 is not us. This is some idiots trying to copy us, right? And as you can see, they rug the liquidity. Please pick the right one. This is us, right? This is our J5 here. And then this is our J5 here. This Polygon Matic pair here. This is our J5. So I'll share both of them on the stream here. And it's a little bit of arbitrage right here, because you can see our Polygon Matic pair price is a little bit higher. So right now you get a little bit more for your bang for your buck on Binance. All right, so I'll share the Polygon Matic pair as well for you guys. Started from the bottom, now we here. And like I said, no pressure. I'm not asking anybody to buy anybody. But if you do become a whale, right? If you do become a whale on the token, come on, man. That's not what I was trying to do. If you do become a whale and hold 1 million tokens, please let me know so we can get you in that chat and we can start working on the marketing wallet. And I believe anybody that's in the Telegram, that's the guys that's running the Telegram, guys, please share the marketing wallet in the Telegram so people can know. No, you're not asking too much, man. We don't mind questions over here. That's our Polygon Matic pair, and that's our BNB pair. So those are the two chains that we're on right now. We're on Polygon Matic and we're on BNB. We're also trading on Grove X Exchange. So if you swing over here, we're also on Grove X Exchange. You can actually see it on CoinMarketCap. You can buy it on Grove X Exchange. You can buy it on Pancake Swap, or you can buy it on what is the swap for Polygon Matic, y'all? It's Quick Swap. Quick Swap, Rocket X, Binance, Pancake Swap, or Grove X Exchange. Yeah, I did see the debate coin. It was going crazy, wasn't it? Last time I checked, it was going crazy. They got one on base too. That's the one I was looking at. The one on base, right? Okay, that's not the right one. Oh, you talking about the one on... Dude, I thought they had a one on base that wasn't a scam. Let me see if I can find it. Damn, all of them on base are scams, right? No, this is the one right here. I'm about to say, I knew they had one that wasn't a scam. Yeah, this is the one on base. I know a lot of people talk about the one on Solana, but I've been tracking the one on base here. Yeah, it's not a nice little uptrend. But I wouldn't buy a new token on an uptrend, right? I always wait for the dump to happen. At some point the dump will happen, right? If this thing was launched in a pre-launch store like Ape Store Base Jump, eventually they dump off, right? Unless the community is really, really strong and the dev is really, really plugged. It's kind of crazy. This thing got 17,000 buys and only 300 sales. That is strong. That is a strong token. That's why it's on this uptrend. Thomas, you got 1 million tokens? Well, you gotta prove you got 1 million tokens. You gotta prove. So you gotta get up, hit us, go to the J5 Discord, in the Discord and reach out to somebody. Right? I believe, aren't you the guy with the cat profile on the in the J5 Telegram chat? If you the guy with the cat profile, get up with Grip Elite or Crypto Mike and let them know you got 1 million tokens. Like, show the picture, like show proof, and they'll get you in that chat. Why did AyoKG tell me 15K? AyoKG is funny, man, because that's no, really, like you said, the Bitcoin floor. Well, the Bitcoin, that was the floor. He didn't lie to you. I mean, guys, the floor was down here at 15K. That was the floor. You asked me if the Bitcoin, that was the floor. Are you new to crypto? Because we're nowhere near the floor, bro. Like, he wasn't lying to you. Like, that was the floor. So now it's kind of like you're waiting for the... Let me zoom this out for you. Right now, you're waiting for the parabola stage, right? Right? Stage 4. Bro, we're in stage 4. We got to touch our trend line here. This is what you're waiting for this. You're waiting for this here. Bro, we already went past base 1, base 2, base 3, and now we're at base 4. We on our way to fucking home base, bro. I hate to tell you, like, you taking a chance. You could be buying the top. Of course, the consensus is that the parabolic stage should happen, right? Based on history. But you could be buying the top. So, yes, if you buying Bitcoin right now, consider that you could be buying the top. I know people don't want to tell you that shit, but I'm going to tell you. We are nowhere near the floor. He ain't lying to you. But that don't mean Bitcoin about to come all the way to 15K. No. We got a lot more support levels before we hit 15K, buddy. Yep. Golden. Yeah. Golden. My bad, man. I meant to ask, what do you think Bitcoin will be before altcoin season? I mean, we can go all the way down to 40K before altcoin season. We can go all the way down to 42, 43K. But I think that maybe we just stop at around 50K. We got like $9 billion worth of selling pressure, guys. Understand, anybody that bought Bitcoin during Mt. Gox, they're up 50x right now. You don't think people want to wake up and get a 50x on the house? Yes, they will. They will dump that shit on you. Think about everybody that's been dumping Bitcoin lately. What's been the number one consensus? There's people who bought Bitcoin at 69K that have been waiting for it to get back to 69K just to break even. They don't even care about it going past 69. They just want their money back. That's why we've been getting dumped on lately. Somebody help Rock, man. Rock, yes, it's not my token, okay? It's our community token. But yes, I was the mastermind who created the token. Yes. Yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do over here on this channel. No, it's not my token, man. It's our token. It's a community effort, okay? But yes, I created a token. I got to stand on it. If I was going to say I didn't create it, yes, I did. Created a token. J5, yes. We created this token in the midst of AI season. It was AI season. We created a AI token paying homage to the we created a AI token paying homage, just a meme coin, man. We created an AI meme coin paying homage to the late and great Johnny 5 robot from back in the day, right? J5. Yes, I created this token 6 months ago. We've been live for 6 months, Rock. 6 months. This is 6 months, and this is a community effort. This is a community token. And we burnt 40% of the supply. We got liquidity lock, 1,000 holders. Like, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. And then, yes, this is a community effort, right? This is not my token where it's like, oh, well, it's really just a token designed to make Millie rich. No, I don't make anything off this token, right? My bag sits there and it never moves. Would love for it someday to be able to move, but at this state, it's not going to happen, right? So we need the community to come in and work together and make some things happen, right? It's not spelled like that, sir. Rock. I'll post it one more time in the chat for you. So to confirm for you, man. Cause to confirm, I'll post it one more time. Kibu Inu on Soul. Kiba. Let's see here. Oh, you said Soul. I'm not seeing one on Soul, bro. None of these. You can't be talking about the one on Soul because none of them even have, like, they don't even have their DEX tools and nothing updated. Yeah, I'll pass on that, bro. I don't know what you asked me to check out. I don't know what that is. Thank you, Thomas. No, it's okay. It's okay, Rock. Mardamoni, I don't know what you're asking me to check out. I don't see any contract address. Yeah, you asked me to check out the one on Soul, but why would I check that out? I can't check out look, man, you gotta understand, I'm a YouTuber, bro. And I know what crypto's supposed to have and what they don't have. And that crypto, unfortunately, you said the one on Soul. Well, it doesn't. I see the one on ETH looks official. Looks like Binance has the same. It looks like they're multi-chain. But you talking about check the one on Soul? Are you talking about the one that just jumped 19 hours ago? I'm pretty sure this is a super low cap. So let's see if they got their DEX screener updated, right? Because I know this is what you want me to look at. All right, so I'll look at it on DEX screener because DEX tools, they don't even got their shit updated, bro. And they need to go ahead. It's not even expensive. Just get your shit updated, bro. I told you guys, like, when I was creating a token, like, I understood, like, you got to get your DEX screener, you got to get all that updated, man, or people ain't gonna take you serious. So they got it updated here on DEX screener. And and it's $59,000 market cap dumping off. This is a very, very, very high risky play. I can't give any TNA on. It's too new. I need to go hang in the Telegram and see what the VC is, if it's a community takeover, if the dev is still active. Contract here, no audits. What else do I like to look for? Let's look at the holders. See if the good ratio on holders here. No. I think a lot of people hold a lot of the supply. I do not like that as well. I like the supply to be a little bit more diluted. And just anime tokens in general, they do not do well. Like, anime tokens do not do well. I think Saitama was the one that did the best, but then eventually they had to, like, rebrand. I don't know what's wrong with anime tokens. They do well. But, okay. I'm not saying nothing bad about this token because, again, it can put in a higher low from here and continue to go up. So what are you looking for is you're looking for a higher low. You're looking for it to hold this trend and go up from here, right? And put it in a higher high, right? But you do got 1, 2, 3, 4 wick candles, which tells me you got heavy resistance at the all-time high, and it keeps getting rejected. It's a good chance that this thing may go lower. Volume looks very, very good for this token, for a new token. 330K in volume. I like that. Volume looks good. Liquidity is locked. I'm not going to say anything bad about this token. Just my experience. Anime tokens just, they don't have a good life expectancy. They just don't. But they need to get the DEX tools updated as well. And they need to do that now. They need to go ahead and spend a little money, dump this shit off, go get the DEX tools update, stop playing around. Like, it looks good when people go to DEX tools and DEX screener and they see banners and they see pictures and shit like that. They just got to get it updated. Yeah, Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is available. I mean, we doing a CTO. You don't have to check it out if you don't want. Okay, yeah, I don't really do Solana meme coin trading, but hey, if y'all doing a CTO and people want to check it out, that's on them. I can't stamp your token, no good, brother. I don't know anything about it, and it's all out of respect. All out of respect. Why it's fine. It's fine. Baby Club on base. Didn't that rug? Didn't Baby Club rug? Bro, Baby Club rugged. I know it rugged because I was watching it like a Hulk. And then out of nowhere, it just freaking rugged. But hopefully they CTO'd. So hopefully they did a community takeover and it came back. Yeah, this thing rugged, bro. This thing rugged. This thing was almost at like $100,000 market cap. And then out of nowhere, it just came in straight rugged. Yeah, there we go. But it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming. Look, that's what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. They may have had a CTO. It's probably a good community that's running this thing. And it might be on its way back up. Yep, see, this is what I be talking about. This is where I make my most money at. I wait for it to rug, and I wait for the CTO. I'm seeing micro buys, so it tells me that the community, whoever's doing a CTO, they know what the fuck they doing. These micro buys really, really help out when you're trying to get DEX ads or get on base trending. I don't know. I haven't been in the Telegram. I believe I do have a Telegram, and I've hung around before when it was way up here. But something told me not to buy it. I already knew not to buy it because it came out of maybe Ape Store or Base Jump. But if this is a successful CTO, there could be some money to be made here. I'll have to check it out. I faded Stormy Daniels token. I bet it's... Okay, it dumped. It dumped. Cool. It dumped. This one was... And then you got to look at the WAGMI launches, too. Sometimes good WAGMI launches. Yeah, Stormy Daniels token... I don't know about this, man. The ticker is crazy, right? The volume just been low the last 2 days, but I've been watching this one too. And it's been making money, but it's a slow cooker. It ain't a fast cooker. It's a slow cooker. Word to the wise, all of these could be scams. I want to make that very, very clear. When I'm trading base meme coins, they could be scams, okay? I'm not here saying these are the best things since sliced bread. 99% of these are scams, but that doesn't mean there isn't money to be made, right? So I want to make that clear. All right. All good, brother. No. It's not, you join Millie's Discord. He can help you more. Pancake, Baby Club, our leader is Crypto PJ? Oh, okay. That's good. You got a crypto guy behind it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh, and he streams every day. Okay. All right. I'm going to have to check him out. Man. Link us up. Maybe we can do a joint live stream, man, and talk about our community tokens. I don't mind doing that. I respect it. If it's a crypto guy behind it, that's what's up, man. I rock with Crypto Rodney's token. You feel me? I rock with my boy Crypto Rodney too. Yeah, Wiseman, if you're not buying the right pair and you're about to spend $1,000, bro, just kind of tap in with the community and see and make sure you're doing the right token. Make sure you're doing the right token, bro. It's very simple. J5 right here. We got our Dex tools and Dex screener put together. All our stuff is put together, right? Go and you tell Crypto PJ to get the Dex tools updated, man. Get on that, bro. People look at that. Tell them to get on that. I'm just being completely transparent. You go copy the contract, and you can go put the contract in Pancake Swap, or you can put the contract in Rocket X Exchange. You can put the contract in these exchanges, and then you can do what you do, right? And not financial advice. I'm not begging you to buy the token. I'm not recommending you to buy the token. If that's what you want to do, the community will respect that. Hey, we love it, but it's not something that's pressurized, okay? I want to make that clear. Oh, you shared it with him. That's what's up, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm familiar with Baby Club, Crypto Crusaders. I was waiting on the dump. Looks like it's dumped and it's on its way up. I might have to go revisit the Telegram and see what's going on. Oh, yo, we did a live stream. Okay, 3 more minutes, guys, and I'm up out of here. 3 more minutes. Anything else y'all want to check out? Ask me. We got 3 more minutes, and then I'm out of here. Yeah, so on Pancake Swap. No. No, bro. You gotta buy BNB. It's BNB token. You have to have BNB. BNB. Binance. It's a Binance token. Binance token, Rock. My Jasmine on doing bunk are loaded. The bags are packed. Millie, we out here. I love to see it. Those are some pretty good plays, right? Jasmine, Ondo, Bonk, all good plays, man. You got a little bit best of both worlds. You got your AI data play, Jasmine. You got Ondo, your RW play, and then you got Bonk, your meme coin of choice. Ain't nothing wrong with that, Matt. I love it. Good choices, good brother. Good choices. Rock, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, man. I don't want to try to explain this to you on a live stream and then you do it incorrectly, bro. Oh, it's not a community takeover. It's not a community takeover. I am the dev of J5, guys. I am the dev. I am the dev. It's not a community takeover. It's just a community project. It's ran by multiple members inside the community, not just myself, right? It's a community project. But I am the developer, so I want to make that clear. I'll send you the deck screener again for anybody that's interested. And we should be getting on base. I'm not giving a time frame on when we'll get on base, guys, but we'll get on base soon. Okay? But we need to fill up the marketing wallet so we can do the liquidity pair. Yeah, share the token. I appreciate that, you guys. Rock, you have to buy Binance token, and then you swap BNB for J5. But again, I do not like to get up here and explain this on live stream if you don't if you don't know what you're doing, bro. It's not complicated at all. It's not complicated. It's not complicated at all, bro. It's actually very, very simple. Yes, that's very, very, that's all you got to do. Can somebody in the chat confirm how easy it is? I'm surprised you're a newbie. You've been in Elon for like 2 years, bro. I'm very familiar with it. You've been in Dog Along Mars for 2 years, and even Dog Along Mars has a Binance pair. You've never bought Dog Along Mars on a Binance pair? You buy Binance, you head over to Pancake Swap, and you swap Binance for whatever token that you want that's on BNB. It's very, very simple. It's not hard at all. I promise you it's not hard. It's very, very simple. I don't know what Aladdin rug pull is. What is that? Thank you, Jugglins. I just need somebody in the chat to confirm how that it's not hard at all. It's not hard at all. Rocky, you're making it a little bit harder than what it is. We're working with you. It's not hard, sir. You know, we're working with you. Yes, you have to have BNB to swap for J5. You cannot use Ethereum. You have to use BNB. Have you been Aladdin rug? No, I don't want to be Aladdin rug. That doesn't sound fun. Look, I gotta go, guys. It's 12. I'll holla at y'all at the next one, guys. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody that showed up to the chat. Like, subscribe. We ain't going nowhere. I'll try to get more live stream. I've been doing a lot of meme coin trading on base chain. That's my chain of choice. And we're working on getting our community token over there on base as well, guys. So appreciate this was a dope ass live stream. I had so much fun today because I haven't live streamed in a while. So I appreciate everybody that showed up to the live stream. Consider following my new Twitter. Hit that like, subscribe. My name is Crypto Million. Every day I talk about crypto, and I'll see you guys in the next one.